गहरा विश्वास है तू उसके संग भविष्य की ओर स्वागत सीखने की हर राह होगी और आसान शिक्षा शोर नवाचार मिलकर चले हम सब आओ मिलकर बोले दिल से आप सभी का स्वागत।
Yes, ma'am, we can start now.
Okay, sir. Okay. So good afternoon to one and all present here. I am Dr. Ushali Arjun Panchale, Coordinator of Faculty Development Committee, and it gives me immense pleasure and honor to welcome you all to this online faculty development program. On behalf of the Management, Organizing Committee and Faculty Development Committee, I extend a very warm welcome and cordial welcome to all our respected resource persons, principals, faculty members, researchers, and participants joining us from different parts of the country. We are truly delighted by your enthusiastic presence, which reflects your commitment towards academic excellence and professional growth. Faculty development programs play a vital role in strengthening the academic ecosystem. In today's rapidly evolving educational and professional landscape, continuous learning is not a choice but a necessity. FDPs provide a valuable platform to update knowledge, exchange innovative ideas, enhance teaching methodology, and align academic practices with current industry and research trends. This FDP has been thoughtfully designed to enrich participants with contemporary insights, practical perspectives, and outcome-oriented approaches, which will contribute to effective teaching, research, and institutional development. The theme of this FDP, which we choose, is highly relevant in the present scenario, where higher education is transitioning towards quality, innovation, research orientation, and outcome-based education. For expert session and interactive discussion, this program aims to empower faculty members with the knowledge and skills required to address real-world academic and professional challenges. We are confident that the sessions during this FDP will be insightful, engaging, and highly beneficial to all the participants. Before beginning the program, let me introduce our organization to you. This FDP is organized under the aegis of Indira Bahudeshya Shikshan Sanstha, IBSS. IBSS is a progressive and visionary educational trust committed to holistic development through education, healthcare, and skill development. The trust continuously strives to uplift society by nurturing talent, empowering students, and addressing the needs of underserved communities. We acknowledge the guidance and leadership of our esteemed management, which include our former president, late Honorable Dr. Rajendra Gode, sir, the founder president of IBSS. He remains the guiding inspiration behind IBS's trust. He was a renowned surgeon. He also served with distinction as the Honorable Minister for the Home and Industry, earning widespread respect for his leadership and commitment to public service. Dr. Rajendra Gode was deeply committed to social upliftment, particularly in the field of healthcare and education. He firmly believed in bridging the gap between quality education and students from rural, underserved communities, a vision that became the philosophical foundation of IBSS. Our current president, Sri Yogendra Ji Gode, inspired by the noble ideas and lifelong dedication to the society of his fathers, late Dr. Rajendra Ji Gode, has played a pivotal role in the transforming this vision into reality by establishing and nurturing institutions that reflects a deep commitment to service, education, and community development. Along with his visionary leadership, the institution has been immensely strengthened by the dynamic support of his daughter, Ms. Tanvi Gode Ma'am, our Honorable Secretary, whose constant encouragement, strategic planning, and forward-thinking approach have significantly reinforced academic initiatives and faculty empowerment programs. Guided by this guiding principle, IBSS continues to honor Dr. Rajendra Ji Gode's legacy by empowering communities through education and healthcare. Now, before introducing our esteemed organizing institutes, I would like to briefly highlight the vast academic ecosystem under the umbrella of IBSS. IBSS stands as a tall, huge tree of knowledge, with innumerable institutes and colleges flourishing under its nurturing shadow. The Trust has developed a large, integrated educational campus at Amravati, which houses a wide spectrum of professional and healthcare programs, including MBBS, nursing, BAMS, engineering, and pharmacy. This multidisciplinary campus reflects IBS's strong commitment to holistic education, interprofessional learning, and societal development. Within this vibrant academic ecosystem, we proudly stand together as two dedicated pharmacy institutes functioning in harmony and collaboration. Dr. Rajendra Gode Institute of Pharmacy and Dr. Rajendra Gode College of Pharmacy. United by a common vision of excellence, innovation, and service to society, both institutes contribute collectively to strengthening pharmaceutical education and research under the IBS's banner. Now, I would like to introduce Dr. Rajendra Institute of Pharmacy, one of the organizing institute of this 5-day online faculty development program. Established in 2017, Dr. Rajendra Gode Institute of Pharmacy has rapidly emerged as a center of excellence in pharmaceutical education. The institute offers diploma and degree programs, and in 2023, it further expanded its academic horizon by introducing postgraduate programs MPharm in pharmacology and pharmaceutical chemistry. The institute is located just 6 kilometers from Sant Gadge Baba Amravati University, providing a serene, eco-friendly, and academically stimulating learning environment. With state-of-the-art laboratories, modern infrastructure, and a team of dedicated faculty members, the institute is committed to nurturing competent, ethical, and socially responsible pharmacy professionals. At this moment, let me briefly introduce our Honorable Principal, Dr. Pramod Burakle, sir. Besides providing academic leadership to our institute, he is an accomplished academician with around 23 years of rich teaching experience in pharmaceutical chemistry, pharmaceutical analysis, and medicinal chemistry. Sir has earned his PhD from Sant Gadge Baba Amravati University and has published 19 research articles in reputed national and international journals and has presented his research work at several national conferences. He holds 6 granted patents, including 5 Indian patents and 1 South African patent, reflecting his strong research and innovative orientation. He has authorized and co-authored 7 academic books and has actively participated in more than 10 FDPs, STTPs, and SDPs sponsored by AICT's UGCs. He is recognized PG and PhD guide at SGBA University and has successfully guided several MPharm students. Under his able leadership, the institute continues to progress steadily with a strong focus on academic quality, research excellence, faculty development, and his guidance and vision commitment to the academic excellence have played a significant role in strengthening the institute's teaching, research, and faculty development initiatives. Now, I would like to introduce the second organizing institute, Dr. Rajendra Gode College of Pharmacy, established in 2019. Dr. Rajendra Gode College of Pharmacy aims to promote excellence in pharmaceutical education and to prepare students for successful career in industry, research, and academics. Since its inception in the academic year 2019 to 2020, the institute has shown consistent growth with steadily increasing students' enrollment, reflecting its academic credibility and commitment to quality education. The institute is progressing steadily towards the introduction of postgraduate programs and envisions itself as a research-oriented institution, adopting innovative and contemporary teaching learning processes. Now, let me introduce Dr. H.S. Savarkar, sir, Principal of Dr. Rajendra Gode College of Pharmacy, guiding with academic foresight and administrative excellence. Sir is currently serving as a principal who brings with him over a decade of tech teaching experience across diploma, degree, and postgraduate pharmacy programs. Sir holds a PhD degree from JNU Jaipur and has demonstrated excellence in both academic and institutional development. His research interests include synthetic chemistry, phytochemistry, and pharmacological screening, with special emphasis on standardization and isolation of phytomolecules. He has published 23 research papers in reputed national and international journals. He is also the author of well-appreciated academic book titled Textbook of Organic Chemistry 1. Leadership continues to inspire faculty members and students for fostering a culture of academic discipline, research orientation, and professional growth. Having introduced both the organizing institute and the respected principal, it is now my proud privilege to invite the Honorable Principal of Dr. Rajendra Gode Institute of Pharmacy, Dr. Pramod Burakle sir to deliver the welcome address for this 5-day online faculty development program. So I invite sir to deliver the welcome speech. Sir, I'm audible?
Hello. Hello, sir. Unmute your mic.
Okay. Hello.
Yes,
Ma'am,
sir.
am I audible?
Yes, sir, you're audible. Yes, sir, you're audible.
Yes. Okay. First of all, welcome and good afternoon to one and all. It gives me immense pleasure and deep sense of pride to extend a warm and respectful welcome to our esteemed resource persons, distinguished academicians, respected faculty members, researchers, and all enthusiastic participants to this 5-day online faculty development program titled Artificial Intelligence as a Catalyst for Excellence in Pharmaceutical Education, Research, and Innovation, organized by Faculty Development Committee of Dr. Rajendra Gode Institute of Pharmacy and Dr. Rajendra Gode College of Pharmacy, Amravati. Our institutes functions under the visionary umbrella of Indira Bauddhisya Shikshan Sanstha, Buldhana, stands as a testimony to integrated learning and innovation. As a pharmacy institution within this ecosystem, it is our responsibility to embrace emerging technologies and redefine education and research. We flourish under the visionary leadership of Sri Yogendraji Gode Saheb, who carry forward the legacy of late Dr. Rajendraji Gode and strong academic support from Honorable Secretary Ms. Tanvi Gode Madam. At the outset, I would like to say that artificial intelligence will not replace teachers or researchers, but teachers and researchers who use artificial intelligence will lead the future. This thought aptly reflects the spirit of today's program. Artificial intelligence is no longer a concept of the future. It is the powerful present-day tool transforming pharmaceutical education, drug discovery, clinical research, pharmacovigilance, data analysis, and personalized medicine. Integrating artificial intelligence into academics and research empowers educators to deliver outcome-oriented education and equips students with skill relevant to the evolving healthcare industry. In the present era, the role of the teacher goes far beyond classroom instruction, beyond classroom instructions. Educators today are mentors, innovators, researchers, and lifelong learners. Faculty development programs like this acts as a catalyst for change, enabling faculty members to update their knowledge, adapt innovative teaching learning methodologies, and align themselves with global academic and research standards. This 5-day FDP is thoughtfully designed to provide both theoretical understanding and practical insights into the application of artificial intelligence in the pharmaceutical sciences, and such knowledge sharing platforms will act as a pathways for transformation, enabling us to reflect and relearn our teaching practices in alignment with the global standards and societal needs. I express my sincere gratitude to our eminent resource persons who have graciously agreed to share their expertise and experiences. Their guidance will certainly inspire us to explore new dimensions of teaching, research, and innovations. I also place on the record my appreciation for Faculty Development Committee and organizing team of both colleges whose dedicated efforts have made it possible to conduct this comprehensive FDP in an effective online mode. And at the last, I extend my sincere gratitude to our Honorable President, Dr. Yogendraji Gode sir, and Honorable Secretary, Ms. Tanvi Gode ma'am, for their constant support and permitting us to organize this faculty development program. So I encourage all participants to actively engage in the sessions, interact with the experts, and reflect on how artificial intelligence can be meaningfully integrated into your academic and research practices for the benefit of the students and society. With these words, I once again welcome you all and wish this 5-day FDP great success in learning and impactful outcomes. Thank you. Wishing everyone an inspiring, insightful, and intellectually enriching FDP ahead. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for extending the warm welcome. Now, it is my privilege to introduce today's distinguished resource person, Dr. Satish Polshettiwar, sir. He is an associate professor and academic coordinator of PG program at the Department of Pharmaceutics, School of Health Sciences and Technology, Dr. Vishwanath Karad, MIT, World Peace University, Pune. He holds MPharm and PhD qualification and brings with him over 20 years of rich experience in pharmaceutical education, research, consultancy, and industry academia collaboration. Sir is a founder of Formulation AI, the world's first formulation predictive tool, and is a Google certified trainer, NPTEL Swayam instructor, AI expert, academic leader, industry consultant, and highly sought after speakers. His academic and research credentials are truly outstanding, including 60 plus publications in Scopus, Web Science, and UGC Care journals, 14 patents which are granted, published, and filed, including international patents, 21 Scopus Index book chapters, and 4 textbooks with ISBN, 300 plus invited talk, workshops, and guest lectures at national and international platforms. He has been featured in the World Scientist Ranking from 2021 to 2025 and is a recipient of several prestigious awards for excellence in teaching, research, and innovation. With his vast expertise and visionary outlook, we are confident that today's session will be a highly enlightening, inspiring, and practically enriching for all the participants. With such strong leadership, committed institutions, and an eminent resource person, we are confident that this session of FDP will be truly meaningful and enriching academic experience. Once again, I extend a very warm welcome to all and look forward to an engaging, interactive, intellectually rewarding FDP. And I request sir to please proceed the session.
Okay, thank you, Dr. Vishali ma'am. I hope I'm audible to all participants.
Yes, you're on.
Okay, let me share my PPT first. I hope my PPT is visible. Just let me know. Just a minute. It's coming now. Yes, ma'am. Confirm.
Sir, not visible
Okay,
yet.
let
You
me
are the
first
co-host, sir,
put
so
on
you
my
can
camera so that I can get good bandwidth. Just okay. Can you unmute me? Sorry.
Yes, sir, you are unmuted. You are unmuted.
Just okay. I'm audible now.
Yes, you are audible, sir.
Okay. Thank you. So yeah,
Screen is
at the
visible.
yeah. Thank you for this
Okay,
all
sir.
confirmation. At the outset, I would like to thanks express my sincere gratitude to IBSS Trust Management, also Dr. Rajendra Gode College of Pharmacy and Institute of Pharmacy, Dr. Pramod sir, and Dr. Hari Gopal sir, for inviting me for this such a wonderful FDP on topic that is we all know it's a very exciting topic for all of us. Also, I would like to extend my sincere thanks to Vrishali Madam, coordinator for this FDP. Also, my friend Dr. Zavarkar sir, who is always with me and is one of the collaborator for my many research projects. So thank you once again all the participants for joining on time. This is the, I think, not a workshop, it's more than workshop where we can make yourself empowered with this new era of AIML. So today's topic probably we are focusing on how AIML can be integrated in education field, research field, as well as we can empower ourselves so that we can give it back to our research scholar and learner. As you all of you know, PCI also introduced next year. PCI is introducing the syllabus that cover 40% topic is AI based. So I think every teacher should nurture, every teacher should understand the importance of this AI. As rightly said by Dr. Pramod sir and Dr. Hari Gopal sir in his speech, this is not going to replace anyone. This is act as one of the co-teacher for all of you. It will assist you during your teaching learning process. It's act as a catalyst for this teaching learning process.
In the age of AI, knowing how to learn is more valuable than knowing what to learn.
Yeah, I think we should think about that. Knowing what to learn, it is more valuable than how to learn. So I think the prompt engineering is one of the important challenge in all of us, so that we can involve this in teaching learning process. Okay, let's continue the topics. So today probably I'm going to focus on AI in academic excellence in pharmacy education, like how we are transforming from chalkboard to chartboard, leverage the AI, embrace the AI in your next generation teaching learning process. Now the teacher should not teach the topics. Now we have to transform our roles. We have to change our role rather than giving the knowledge to make them good learner, problem solver, creative learner, and critical thinker. I think this is the one of the task of teachers, because we all know in the era of chat GPT, in the era of perplexity, Gemini, Copilot, students are having the knowledge, ample of knowledge. Only thing we need to facilitate that knowledge properly so that they become industry ready. They can absorb in pharma industry, yeah, maybe anywhere in the across the globes. So that's I think one of the important tasks. Okay.
AI won't replace teachers,
Yeah.
but teachers who use AI will redefine learning. It can empower them to redefine learning.
Yeah, that's true. Okay, it is a redefine and empower them to learn with the AI. Nobody will replace with this kind of tools that we are having. Okay, yeah. So before starting session, again, let me put my disclaimer. So whatever the content that I'm going to discover, yeah, maybe might be sharing to this entire session for educational purpose and purely for personal use. And this presentation is based on publicly available informations. And the views are presented are views of presenter, not my organization. That is, I am belongs to MIT World Peace University. This is my own presentation, and I can give you my own perspectives. Okay. So I hope I'm audible. Vrishali madam, can you confirm once again?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Yeah. Thank you for that, because this need to be checked during the online mode. Yes. So maybe let me set the contest for next 10 minutes. Then we'll start direct demonstration of all the applications. Today's session will be demonstration based rather than the showing the PPT and presentations. So I believe on some kind of activity based learning, some kind of maybe you have to do some activity. I need each and everyone attention throughout the session so that we'll get some accomplishment at the ends. So what skill is required for educators? If we just talked about the first skill, AI literacy. So all the teachers, educators need to be all at least they should aware about this kind of tools. What kind of tools are there? How AI is going to be useful for the future generation? Yeah, maybe creating lesson plan. I know everybody using Chat GPT for now. Chat GPT made our life very easy for writing a letter, maybe drafting any particular things. Now ChatGPT is really helpful. Even though you ask the ChatGPT to prepare your lesson plan, making question bank, even question set also, they will prepare within 2 minutes. But now the point is that how it has to be done wisely, ethically, effectively. That is only the plus point. That's a challenge. How it has to be. I think this kind of FDP, I really thanks to Dr. Pramod sir, Dr. Hari Gopal sir, entire Dr. Rajendra Gode College of Pharmacy and Institute of Pharmacy faculties and managements, non-teaching staff for arranging such kind of workshop for all these next generation teachers. I think AI literacy is very important. Then data interpretations. These are the kind of skill required as per NAP guidelines. If you just If you go to National Education Policy, it has specially mentioned teachers should be upgraded with this kind of technology. They should aware about this digital technology. They should aware about this kind of, we can say Pharma 4.0, Industry 4.0 revolution. It is not an evolution, it's a revolution happening in the teaching learning process. So we all know teacher has to always have three roles. The teacher life is mostly 2 punch, 1 lunch. You coming in the morning, we are doing 1 punch, again afternoon taking lunch and going with the punch. But that strategy need to be changed. If you want to upgrade ourselves, then teacher has to always play the role in teaching. Then it has to be done the research, and then it has to be always services. We are supposed to perform three important roles in the teaching learning process. I think AI will be one of the facilitator, a co-teacher in this kind of era. So a lot of administrative tasks are there. We have to perform MBA, we have to go with NAC, we have to go to QCI, Quality Council of India, recently introduced by PCI. So I think this strategy needs to be changed. So AI is not a future of education. It's already present. The question is how fast we can adopt it. Now we are supposed to adopt this technology so that we can make our teaching learning more and more exciting and more engaging. I think that is the requirement in today's era. So that's why I'm setting the contest before starting this my demonstration with all the tools that there are some tools I have developed myself, and some tools are publicly available that definitely very useful for all teachers. So definitely we'll go with that. Okay. So let's first start with always take the blessed of the God Almighty. So can you identify both the images? I have shown two images over here. Maybe you can put the message in chat board, maybe WhatsApp. What two images? Can you see the images? Two images are there. Definitely pharmacy starts with this only. We should always remember these two gurus of pharmacy. So do you know both are image? Fantastic. I think I'm getting the answer in the chat board. Great. Please. I need everybody should be active till the end. That is the things. I'm not going to do blah, blah, blah over here. I'm giving some kind of insightful thing to you that probably really helpful for your future forever. Yes, great. So let's hear from the mouth. I really appreciate those are given answers. So now the first image you can see.
I am Dhanvantari, the origin of Ayurveda. The wisdom of healing and well-being flows from me.
Yeah, this is always we take the name Ayurveda with the help of Dhanvantari. We all know Dhanvantari is the inventor of the Ayurveda. Second guru, let's see.
I am Hippocrates, known as the father of medicine and the roots of pharmacy. My ideas shaped how healing began.
Yeah, we should always remember the two guru when you start the session. The father of your pharmacy medicine, Hippocrates, and the invention of, you can say, the father of your Ayurveda, that is we can say Dhanvantari. So even this image has been created by AI tools. Okay, the prompt has been generated on the chat GPT, and there's one tool, Grok. There's one tool. I'll definitely tell you how to create this image. Maybe we can introduce this kind of images. Maybe you can, we can show this kind of historical development of all the pharmacy evolution, how it has been happened from the beginning to the BC and AC era to the today, we can say the chat GPT era through this kind of AI tools. So how we can generate the content also. I think from this image, you got to know how AI can be explore and flourish, because there are plethora of tools available. If you just Google out, you will get multiple tools. But the challenge is that which tool you are supposed to use for which purpose. I think that is one of the challenge in front of all educators. So we are here. That's why this kind of FDP is arranged. Okay. Yeah. Let's start with this. The future classroom is not a teacher with AI. I think it's with the AI. Teacher with AI. Let's see.
A future classroom is not teacher versus AI. It is teacher with AI.
Yeah, this, I think everybody agree with this. Even Dr. Pramod sir and your principal, Dr. Hari Gopal sir, already talked about that. Future of classroom is not a teacher with AI. It's teacher with AI. We always utilize this kind of tools. Even this kind of image also have created on AI. Okay, I have given one prompt with all these things, but I have used very wisely, ethically, and effectively. That's very important. It should not be misused. Okay, yeah. So what you are going to learn in today's session, maybe the smart work. What thing today probably we are doing, repetitive work, a task. Maybe with the tool that probably today I'm going to showing, giving demonstration that will save your works, hours, I can say. You can multiply your task by 2x or maybe faster speed by 10x also. You have to always embrace with the AI. That is leveraging the AI in today's educational life. Okay. Maybe in daily life, you are using ChatGPT, Perplexity, Gemini also. Okay, maybe WhatsApp also one of the tools we can say. Meta AI. Boost creativity. Certainly, it will boost your creativity. Improve efficiency. Certainly, it will improve efficiency. Maybe for data analysis, I'll be telling some tools to you where we can interpret your NMR spectra, maybe your FTR spectra within a minute. where you can prepare your lesson plan, question bank, everything within a minute. Everything is within minutes, even your presentation also. If you want to make presentation on any topics, we can create it within a minutes. That's the beauty of AI. That too very fantastic image and all these things. But for that required proper prompt. I think this is the era where everybody should understand this prompt. Now, IIT Mumbai, IIT, Madras, they have started the courses, diploma, degree course on prompt engineering. You can imagine how it is powerful. So I did a course on IIT Mumbai, a 6-month course on prompt engineering. That's really great course. You can also join. That's really because that's way how you can make yourself, how the prompt can be generated. That's a very important. Otherwise, garbage in, garbage out. Because this all AI tool based on the prompt. If you're giving good prompt, proper prompt, you'll get good outcome. And that I think these all are very important as a 21st century skill. You have to always stay ahead of the competition with future of proof AI skills. So I need your full attention so that we'll get achievement and accomplishments. Okay. Yeah. So all A is very important for all of us. So now see how AI is actually a new co-teacher. Let's see.
AI is the new co-teacher, creative, responsive, and always ready.
Yeah.
AI is the new co-teacher, creative, responsive, and always ready. Let's adopt it.
So this is very important. We have to always make ourselves adaptable so that we can empower this kind of things. So today's session probably will learn about how to create MCQs within a minute, how to create a lesson plan as per COPO mapping, Bloom taxonomy that probably we use during question paper setting and lesson plan also. That we can get it within a minute. I'm talking. Then we'll learn about literature survey, how we can get it done, entire literature survey, research gap, hypothesis within a minute. I'm talking. Everything happen in minute. So only thing, awareness. So let us explore all these tools, and all the tools are free. Need to pay single amount. So whatever tool I am covering today's session, all tools are free. Need not to pay single amount. That's I think and disclaimer I am putting in front of all of you. Convert. If you have any YouTube video, for example, I'm going to convert the YouTube video into presentation, multiple choice questions, framing the some questions as to Bloom taxonomy. We can create within minutes. We can summarize that video into documents within a minute. There are so many things. How AI can be used to read your spectra, like NMR spectra, your FTR spectra, DAC spectra. There are a lot of spectra is coming, and students are facing problem in spectral analysis. So how we can get it done through some AI tools? Summarize long book. You have 200-page long books. How to read that book? How to convert it into infographic, mind mapping. Let's see all this. There are so many things. Even podcast. How we can create a podcast? Because this GNG required more and more this kind of thing rather than a one-way teaching. There should be always two-way interactions. Now teaching learning has been now completely transformed. Teachers should not teach the topics. It has to be always engaging. You have to use this gamification tools, some AI tools. That's why classroom can be highly engageable. Because this generation will not be having that kind of curiosity to get this one-way teaching learning process. They are always curious to learn about this kind of tool-based learning. Okay, let's see all these things. Maybe we'll because what is AI? AI is nothing but the ability of computer to machine to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. That learning from data, making decision, understanding language. There are so many things. AI does not understand English. It understands only pattern. I hope you must have observed if you're ordering on Amazon, Flipkart. So AI will understood what kind of thing you are going to look and looking, and they will probably show similar kind of items. That is called as one of the agentic AI patterns. There are different types of AI. We'll see this also in due course of time. Okay. So yeah.
Your journey to becoming a tech-ready pharma professional starts here.
Yeah, this is the way I'm setting the contest because AI is your new lab partner. Maybe you can do some research in the kind of tools. The kind of tool today I'm exploring, definitely you can make that particular platform as a laboratory. That is called as a virtual laboratory, that you can call as your dry laboratory, and you can perform 10% in wet lab. Now era has been changed. People are doing the work on 90, 80%, 90% on the computational tools and 10 to 20% bring on the wet lab. That will certainly reduce the timing, reduce your gap, so many things. I think this is the way how we transform. So where I developed one of the important applications, that is formulation AI, from moving from motor pestle to machine learning model. How machine learning can be used today to develop such kind of tools. Okay. So now one questions to all of you before starting the demonstration. So now I have given 4 options to you. Which combination best represent future ready pedagogy? I should not use word pedagogy, I should use andragogy, but okay. So which A, B, C, D. I have given 4 options to you. So which option would you like to select? As a teacher, I can see all teachers are there in this FDP. Yes, fantastic, fantastic. Please keep on typing on your chartboard. Very good, fantastic. Okay, I hope, yeah, this everybody is now going with this B option, correct? That is really correct. So we want AI tool, pedagogy, human judgments. Yeah, AI will not replace our emotional touch. Yeah, we can say spiritual touch. That is with us only. AI will only take intelligence. That's very important. Okay, yes, great. Now moving to the next one. Okay, let's see. Yeah. So guarantee I'm giving. You can save your 2 hours of 10x productivity. What today you are learning, okay, in this session. So maybe I'll just skip this part because of this. I hope everybody know about AI and all. But I'll give an example before starting my session. Let me put one examples how AI is all about recognition of pattern. So I'll give an example of this.
In the age
yeah. So let's understand with an example. That example will you take you entire AIML picture, deep learning and all these things. एक बार क्या होता है? So the mother asks his child, you just go in market and bring red labels. एक बार अपनी मम्मी अपने बेटे को बोलती, बेटा तू मार्केट में जा, and you have to bring a red label from market. वो बच्चा मार्केट में जाता है. Okay, he goes to market and he's bringing what? He's bringing red label whiskey bottle. Actually, mama want red label tea powder, but he's bringing whiskey bottle. Why that boy got wrong? Because mama has given the wrong prompt. Mama ने prompt गलत दिया ना. Mama ने क्या बोला? Mummy said go and bring a red label from market. So बच्चों को लगा कि red label is again he might have seen that red label from the friend. Red label company का whiskey आता है. He brought that whiskey. So if mama could have said properly, you go and bring red label tea powder. Red label is a company and from market. Probably the boy must have brought that red label tea powder. I think that is the AI. So AI is like that. So AI को proper prompt चाहिए because AI does not understand language. It understands pattern. देखो आपने observe किया होगा ChatGPT को sometime make a mistake, spelling mistake करो, you will understood pattern. अभी what happens next time if you ask something about that pattern, that AI will understood that. अभी next time वो जो बच्चा है अगर मम्मी ने बोल दिया next month you go and bring a red label market, that boy definitely bring red label tea powder only because he understood from that language, the initial mistake. That's why AI is become powerful daily. You know, because you are feeding data. जो AI को या ChatGPT को you are feeding lot of data. So AI is become powerful day by day. If you just look at the intelligent quotients of this ChatGPT is more than I think 1000. However, Einstein has 160 IQ level. Einstein and Tesla man also 160, 155. You can imagine how it is powerful. The IQ level of Einstein is 160. However, ChatGPT का IQ power कितना है पता है? More than 1000. You can imagine intelligence levels. Because daily you are feeding something on ChatGPT. DeepSeek also. DeepSeek is China model. Again, they are, that's why you are giving free of cost to all of us, just to make the model more and more powerful. Because what is required over there? Data. Because data acts as a fuel for this kind of algorithm. I hope from this example you understood what is this. So I have made up a story with the help of AI tools. Now see the story.
Go and bring red label from market. Yes, mom.
Yeah. So now see that boy went to market and what he bringing.
I want red label tea. What is this you brought?
Even this I have prepared through AI tools. Okay, now student want this kind of story-based learning. I can through this thing maybe you can create such a story for any topics, for drug delivery, any topics, how drug acting on receptors. So many topics are there. You make a story-based learning. You through the AI now it's very easy because of AI. We can create a content very very nicely through the AI tools. Just do the prompt. It will create a story. I'll tell you that all these things. Need not worry about it. I'll make you experts how we can create such a story and how we can generate through AI just by giving simple prompt. Okay. Yes. This is the AI. So AI just talked about this. So now we understood that the boy is called as machine learning. Because initially the mama has given the prompt that is artificial intelligence. Okay. Then boy has the next time will not make mistake because that machine got learned. Na? उसका machine learn हो गया. Now that boy has trained about that particular prompt. Now what happens? Now बच्चा वैसे वैसे grow हो रहा है. जैसे जैसे grow हो रहा है, he can develop his own neural network. उसका neural network will be developed. Maybe after 5 years down the line, 10 years down the line, that boy has take own decision. Maybe he can decide now I cannot bring red label tea powder. I can take with another brand that is Society, for example. That is what neural network will develop. Why I'm giving this example? Because example make you good learner. We can understand topics. If I talk blah 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 about AI, ML, and neural network, probably you'll get confused and you will get, you'll not understood topics. I made it as a teaching point of view. How students require this kind of knowledge, because knowledge they have, they can learn from ChatGPT. What's the role of teacher now? It has been transformed role. Okay, role is very transforming, category wise transform, we can say. Then deep learning, again he can think in deep and he can just decide which is the best test I can see. With the red level I can choose, yeah, society, yeah, other key powder I can check. This is the way. And Gen AI is called as your generative AI, something generated from that. Like ChatGPT, you have so many things. Perplexity, Copilot, this called as large language models. AI does not understand English, understand pattern. देखो पैटर्न को ध्यान समझता है वो. आप कैसे क्वेश्चन पूछते हो उसको, वो पैटर्न ध्यान रखता है, and based on that pattern he will answer you. Once again, I will connect with Dr. Rushali madam, whether I am audible or not. Let me know.
Yes, sir, you are audible, sir.
Thank you for this again, because this is very important. You should always connect it with this all. Okay, great. So now how AI is transforming entire pharma industry. Okay, certainly it will redefining, reshaping pharma industry. Now you can see the drug designing, drug delivery, distribution, everywhere AI is used. Only thing we should aware about that. Maybe you can talk about your students how it has been transforming in the entire field. Okay, like we can see in the image. Now, future scientists may be designing the molecule, designing formulation on the computational tools, and then he will take only 1 or 2 batches. Maybe DOE also not required. So through the tools that I have created, that is formulation AI, no need to require a DOE. It is a predictive tool, directly get a prediction about 92%, and you can directly go with that batch. Okay, let's see one by one. Don't worry about that. So final slide, then we'll come to demonstration with the tools. But the one rule is very important. So whenever we use all this AI tool, the one rule, that is the golden rule, I can say, this is created by Mike. Okay, it's very famous on YouTube. The rule is what? Okay, I'll just skip this slide and coming to the, yeah, this is really helpful for that. I'll come with the rules. Okay, before rule, let me first type up AI, then we'll come to rules. Okay, maybe this is very important knowledge for you. So why I'm taking all these things? Because this is very, very useful for the teachers. We should understand what is this different types of AI ML model. So first is Gen AI, a generative AI, like your ChatGPT, Gemini. देखो, ChatGPT को just you ask, create an image on maybe different classification of hypertensive drug with infographic image. It will give the very fantastic classification with the images. That is what called as Gen AI. That is called as a Gen AI, generative AI. Next AI is called as, we can say, let's see, sorry. Next AI is called as agentic AI, like your Amazon Flipkarts. Now, if you're searching on any particular, we can say maybe for any mobile smartphone on your Amazon Flipkarts. So similar kind of product available, below the screen. What is that? Agentic AI. Now you can see in this today's meeting, my agentic AI is already there in the along with you. My agentic AI already I have added in this as a participant, and he's listening and correcting to me. He's collecting all data, all attendance, how many people attend you, how many people asking questions. Everything will be directly sending to me. I hope you must have seen this one agentic AI, that is agent is already created over there. आपके मीटिंग में already वो है आपके साथ. मैंने directly उसको include कर दिया यहाँ पे. So this is the way how AI can be performing role. Even though I am not attending lecture over here, I can get the information directly from that agentic AI because he is attending on my behalf. So this is the kind of thing happening in pharmaceutical industry, not only pharma but other field also. The second thing that is we call as agent AI, which is very powerful, like a Tesla car, called as self-driven car. We are made in that particular way. He can take own decision. He has the capabilities to accomplish complex objective, like Tesla car, driverless car. That's an example of it's very powerful AI. There are weak AI and strong AI. People are talking about that. So maybe these are the way how we can take it. Last AI type is called as RAG AI. That is retrieval augmented generation, like your Perplexity and Scholar GPT, where we can get real-time data with references and all citation. If you just search on Google, Google will not give any kind of authentic data. But if you search on Perplexity, which is developed by Indian scientists only, okay, that definitely give you a reference for, and real-time data is always search on database and give the real-time data with proper citation. Even Scholar GPT, maybe you are not aware about Scholar GPT. ये भी GPT है, where we can get references. Normal chat GPT will not give references, but here Scholar GPT will give proper references. Because normally what happens, if you use a chat GPT ChatGPT fabricates many references sometimes, but Scholar GPT will not fabricate. It will give proper references. I hope many people are not aware about that. It's a part of ChatGPT only. Okay. I hope you understood the 4 types of AI: Gen AI, Agentic AI, Agent AI, and RAG AI. Okay, very fantastic information. May be useful for you, all the teachers. With the example also you can see. Okay, let's see. And finally, a rule. Then we'll shift to the demonstration. So what is the rule? When you're using this tool, you must keep in mind this rule: 10% proper prompt, because your entire answer, entire outcome, yeah, whatever the content you are generating from this large language model based on your prompt. Otherwise, you have seen the example of that red label. Mama want red label tea and you are giving red label whiskey. Yeah, sometimes mama want red label whiskey also. That's a different story. Okay, but this is the way how we can work. Okay. Then 80% response from LLM model. So what response you are getting from this large language model or AI content, that depends on your 10% prompt. Then last, very important, that is 10% thought. Your thought is very important. Validation of data. Don't just paste it, and you submit the documents. So you go through that, validate that data. Normally we do validation, no? When you're doing docking process, anything, we always validate data. Validation is very important. Your thought, very important. Then you add a value in your contents. I think this rule is applicable for you. Okay. Yeah. Let's see now. Yeah, I'll just skip these slides. So you can see this example how the one person unemployed, but because of AI, turning unemployment to self-employment. You can see by learning different tools and all how now he's become entrepreneurs. I think there are a lot of scopes in this field where we can make the person unemployed to employed, even though he does not have only degree, but probably he can now become leading scientist over there. These are the way how we can change the student life, because future of education won't be one size fit. It will be always one brain at a time. I think this is the way how we can utilize this curriculum in our curriculums. Okay, so I'll just keep this and tools. Let us see one by one all the tools. Once again, I confirm from Dr. Vishali ma'am whether I'm audible, visible.
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Yeah.
Audible.
So let's see with the first tool. Okay, the Playgan. Okay, we'll see one by one all the tools. Okay, let's see. Let me share my screen over here. Okay, the first tool which is being created by myself only. Okay, so that is Playgan. I think I have shared the link in your groups. Okay, let's see. So what is this tool? The first tool, very useful for all teachers. Okay, now everybody is facing the problem for generating questions. Okay, like maybe questions. Normally we use ChatGPT, but again ChatGPT से में question create करना है, then cut paste करना पड़ता है Mentimeter या Kahoot में या any other application. I'll make it within a minutes how you can get it done. Okay, let's see. This is the interface how it looks once you log in with the account. Okay, just a minute. Okay, can you see here? दिख रहा है presentation? Can you see new presentation over here? Yes, Prashant, can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Great. Okay. Just to create on new presentation over here, the moment you click on this new presentation, you'll be having two options: create a blank and create with AI. Let us go with create with AI. Now see. Now my objective is to creating a interactive questions, even interactive some notes, so that I can present that notes along with some questions so that student can participate in my quiz. Let's see. Now topic, just let me know any topics. Maybe I'll select topic. Let's see. I want to make one. Let's see. We can say emulsion. I want to make interactive questions on emulsion. I want to start the chapter emulsion like for example, interactive questions, MCQ, like MCQs, along with notes, B form, B form, for example. We can write D form also, whatever it may be. Okay, for B form students, let's see. For B form students, you can write. Now you can Bloom taxonomy. You can put as per
Hello. Hello, sir.
COP over here.
Hello, sir. Voice is breaking.
Maybe you can write Bloom taxonomy. Bloom's taxonomy. Yeah, you can put your COP over here directly. Taxonomy. Sorry. आप इसमें आपका COP मैप किया आपने लेसन प्लान में, you can add that.
Sir, sorry to interrupt you.
They will
Hello.
prepare you notes as well as MCQs. Okay, taxonomy. Now see. Abhi now very simple prompt I have given. Now let's click on this generate slide button. Okay, it's a free tool. Not to pay single amount. Just register with your Gmail account. Okay. Yeah.
Hello,
now see,
sir. Am I audible, sir?
within minutes I'll be getting
Hello, sir.
very good presentation along with the quiz that
Hello.
I can share to my student through QR code. And
Hello,
I can
sir. Am I
make
audible?
more and more interactive with my students. Let's see, within a minute it will create. Okay?
Sir, your
It
voice
takes
is
time.
breaking, sir.
Based on your internet connectivity. But
Hello?
normally take 1 minute. Yeah.
Sir,
And
hello?
let's see, can show you the entire thing. Just click on
Sir, excuse me, sir.
create presentation. Okay, now see, it is there on library.
Hello, sir.
Go to library. Now my presentation, it will be there now. Yes, you can see over here. Okay, so now you can first edit it before directly showing the student. Not audible. People are saying not audible.
So now you're audible, sir.
Yes, I hope audible now.
Yes, sir. So please repeat the portion before which you have told.
I hope now audible to all. Please
Yes,
let
sir.
me.
You're audible.
Okay, sorry for that maybe connections and some internet glitches. Okay.
So please
Yeah.
repeat the part which you have told before.
I'll repeat. Did not worry
Yes.
about that. Okay. Yeah. The first tool that probably I am going to let me share my screen first. Okay. So need not worry, I'll repeat that thing. Even I am sharing the entire video recording. So I have all the recordings of all the tools. I'll share that also. If somebody is missed, not.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Sir, you are unmuted.
Okay, I hope audible now.
Yes, sir, you are
Technical
audible.
glitch was there, so I couldn't connect in between. Okay, I hope audible. Vishali ma'am, can you just confirm it?
Yes, sir, you are audible now.
Sorry for these all interferences. Okay, definitely I'll share again that thing.
Yes,
Okay?
sir.
I'll repeat, not an issue. Yeah, I'll just share my PPT over here. Okay, this is the, you can see the interface. I'll show that. I'll repeat this, not an issue. Okay, now voice is coming properly.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you for that. Yeah, this is the Playgan. This is the application where we can create a AI-based notes as well as interactive multiple choice questions. If as well as you can create certain poll, the open-ended questions. We can have take some ranking, so many things. Okay, let's see. Now this is the way how we can make it. Okay, now see. Can you see this new presentation over here? Okay, you can just
Yes,
click
sir.
on. Yeah, you can click on the new presentation over here. Just a minute. Click on that. Sorry. So the moment you click on new presentation, there's two options: create a blank and create with AI. So probably you can select create with AI. Now see, now I'm just making the interactive questions on topic. Let's say interactive questions on maybe tablets. Okay, tablet and capsule. Like you can say tablets and its types. Let's see. As per we can say Bloom taxonomy. Maybe you can put your COPO mapping over here. Okay. Yeah, you can, if you have selected, if you have taken lesson plan, if you are given the level 1, level 2, like that, you can see, maybe you can write level 1, level 2 for B Farm student, like that you can say, okay, for B Farm. So your prompt very important. So now you have understood that with the help of that example red label. Okay, yeah, so how prompt is important. Okay, great. Now you just click on the this create button. You can see the red button over here. Okay, yes, just click create. So within a minute, it will create your entire presentation as well as the questions. Okay, as per your lesson plan, as per the can now see the presentation is ready. You can just click on the create presentation. So now come to your library. You can see the library. You can come to your library. This is library. Now it is there. Now you can see interactive question on tablets. We just first, before showing to students directly playing the games to students, you can just first verify all the contents whether it is done properly as per your requirements or not. Yes, now you can see the questions. What is Bloom taxonomy? You can say. Then maybe first level of Bloom taxonomy. Okay, you can see the questions. Okay, so what is understanding level? Because I have asked as per Bloom taxonomy. Okay, just like this. Now you can see टॉपिक डालना है आपको एंड यू कैन जस्ट गिव दिस काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स. आपको लगता है कि इसमें से कुछ एडिट करना है मुझे, फॉर एग्जांपल दिस क्वेश्चन आई हैव टू एडिट, you can just click on edit button and you can see the thing, edit option also available. You can delete it, you can just add your questions over here. If you want to add new slide, you just click on add slides and you can just add multiple choice, quiz, poll, word count, open-ended rating scales. Okay, so likewise you can add over here also. Maybe you can, for example, add one poll like this poll. For example, this is the poll. I want to take it the feedback, for example, feedback about session like this. You can take the instantly feedback. Okay, let's see. Maybe feedback like you can see excellent, you can see good, like this, maybe neutral, like this. You can add the, you can make the slides like this. Okay, neutral, and you can give the 4 options. Okay, okay, like this. Okay, okay. Now you can present it from आपको क्या करना है, अभी यहाँ से present करना है, like this. You can present. Now see. So now before presenting, you can just share the QR code. Can you just see this QR code? Maybe you can use this also. आप भी कर सकते हो उसको. Maybe you can use for this. I'll be putting this link on your group. Let's see. I'll show you how to work. इसको आपको क्या करना है? Student को share करना है. Yeah, directly show the QR code from this. Student will, scan this QR code. Okay, let's see. I'll be sharing over here. Maybe in your chart board. Let's see. You can join also. अब ज्वाइन करो क्लिक करके. Let's see how it works. Very fantastic application. Okay. Now let's see. I'll be sharing to you. Okay. Let's see. Yeah. Okay, let's see now how people have joined. Now I can see 2 person have joined. Let's see who have been joined. Shruti madam has joined and Dr. Jamir Khan has joined. You can see the names over here on leaderboards. You can see the people who are joining. जिन्होंने scan किया है, link किया है, I can see the your entire list is there. Okay, maybe you can 100 students also participate in this activity. Okay, you can see. Great, not an issue. Still link is not working. Somebody is saying I don't know why. Okay, let's see. Okay, might be Zoom link they are saying. Okay. Yeah, I can see the people have joined over there. Let's see now. Okay, now going with the next questions. Let's see. So you can see the questions over here. Maybe on the screen, my screen question you have to see, and answer you have to give your screen. Okay, yeah. Let's see the questions. Okay, yeah. What is the first level of Bloom taxonomy? Maybe you can answer within 20 seconds. It will be there on your screen. आपके screen पे answer मिलेगा अभी आपको. Question you can see over here. What is the first level of Bloom taxonomy? Yes, I got the 2 responses now. 5 responses, 4 responses. See, timing also you can set over here. मैंने यहाँ पे टाइप सेट किया 20 सेकंड का, बट यू कैन सेट टाइमिंग 30 सेकंड, 50 सेकंड, वॉट एवर द टाइम. नाउ करेक्ट, वेरी गुड, फैंटास्टिक. आई थिंक एवरीबडी हैज आंसर इट. लेट्स सी हु इज द विनर. विनर के लिए आपको क्या करना पड़ता है, यहाँ पे एक लेदर बोर्ड है यहाँ पे. यू कैन जस्ट क्लिक ऑन लेदर बोर्ड्स. ओके, लेट्स सी. आई थिंक डॉक्टर जामिर खान इज विनर who has answered within a short period. Okay, then followed by Vijaya Rajput, Ruchita Thade ma'am, Suchita Bisse, GSB, Ritesh. These are the way how we can motivate the students. So each right answer having 100 points. That's why you will get pointing. Again, we go with next questions. Likewise, what does the understanding level entails? How understanding level will be there? Okay, you can see. So likewise, you can play the games, and at the end, you can find out who is the winner. Okay, likewise, you can answer it. So this is the way how we can play the games. Okay, and generating question within a minutes and directly play. Okay, yes. I'll just stop over here. Maybe you can utilize. I'll be sharing this to you. Need not worry. All this tutorial also. Likewise, you can create a 20 question, 50 questions. Maybe I'll take the feedback directly. Let's see feedbacks. Okay. How session going on? We can see. I'll just see all these things. I'll skip all, and finally this one. Yeah. Can you show me feedbacks? Final. Same. I can see this QR code. Till now, what is how it is going on? Yeah, in between there's a trouble. I think technical glitch was there. I could not connect you. Yeah, fantastic. I can see over here. Okay, your voting can be seen over here directly. Okay, likewise you can take the live feedback also. Okay, now maybe I have skipped this point. That's why I'm not showing. Okay. Okay, let's see. So let's see over here. Now I can go with that. I hope my screen is visible to all. Yes, great. Let's see now. Now next tool is Gemini. Let's see how to create a infographic image. Okay, अपन infographic image कैसे create करते हैं, how we can use it in our teaching learning process. Let's create with that. Okay, I'll be showing some image to you. Like for example, if you want to learn, let's see. If you want to create such a fantastic image, you can see over here in my presentation, I'll show you. If you want to generate such image, let's see how to generate this image. Okay, yes. Maybe it is useful for you for during presentation, maybe during the infographic image also. This image has been created by 2 tools. One is Copilot, another is Gemini. Both are free. Let's see. I'll be showing the prompt to you. मैं आपको prompt भेजता हूँ. Now how to create a prompt? Let's see. पहले prompt create करेंगे ChatGPT पे. Now let me know topics from your interest from the groups. Any topic, let me know. I'll use ChatGPT to create a prompt, then create an image later on. Anyone from the group, please let me know topics. Yeah, I'll be any topic you can put in the chat board. We'll want to make a prompt infographic image. Yes, sir. Rahul sir, it is accepted. Last time, last month only one of my Q1 article they got accepted. One infographic image created by Gemini only. But it has to be created very properly, effectively. Yeah, that's only the requirement. Yeah, I'll take herbal extraction. Let's see. From Tatia, sir, I'll take this topic, herbal extraction. Let's see. Okay, I'll take the herbal extraction topics. Now I want to create one image. उसके लिए मुझे I will use the 2 tools, AI tool. One is ChatGPT, another is Gemini. Now topic is your herbal extraction. So now see how writing the prompt, because prompt writing is very important. Okay, yes, let's go with that. Now suggest me best prompt for creating. See, I'm writing the image like prompt creating infographic image on topic herbal extraction and its types okay, as okay, with one case study, you can say, with one case study for on by using AI tools Gemini. Okay, this is very important. This is the way how we can, maybe you can now ये prompt है आपका best. आपको यहाँ पे topic change करना है and you just use all this prompt as such. Now see the beauty. I am getting the best to best prompt. Now see, just click on that. Infographic word is very important in that. Yeah. And see the prompt. आ गया मुझे prompt. Now with this prompt, so copy कर लो आप. Now see just check it first. Again go with my rule, AI rule 10-80-10. Okay, very important. Yes. Now see. So copy karo, coming to Gemini. This is the free tool again link with your account. Okay, and just paste it over here. इसको prompt को आप paste करना है ना. देखो मैं आपको prompt दे रहा हूँ again. I'm pasting prompt over here in this group also. Yes, let me check it on that. Just okay. Maybe you can create on your level, not an issue. Okay. Now see, I'm writing create image. Now see the beauty. Within a minute, you can see a fantastic image that you can maybe useful for your PPT presentation, maybe when you're writing the review article also, to create some images. But only thing, we need to disclose statements. Yes, can you see the image? Dekho. Okay, sir, Tatia sir, you can see the image. I'll share in the WhatsApp also. Now this activity I'm giving to you also. Go with the same thing, what I did, and share your images in the group. Now see, can you see the fantastic image? Dikh raha hai aapko? Herbal extraction, what is herbal extraction, classification, case study also, very nicely mentioned. Maybe I'll share in the group, your group. Let's see. Now do the activity. You create a prompt, okay, on ChatGPT. So see how I created prompt. I'll provide my prompt to you so that you can use the same prompt like this. Now see. This and on this WhatsApp. I'm sharing on WhatsApp. Okay, please go with the WhatsApp. देखो prompt की जगह topic की जगह आपका topic डालो and you just create a prompt on ChatGPT. Prompt को copy करना है and take it on Gemini. So all of you do this activity. I'll be giving 5 minutes to you for this activity. Great, because without that probably it is not. Practice make man perfect. Okay, great. This is the way how AI can be used to generate your content. Good, please. So all of you please do it and share your images in the group directly in WhatsApp. Maybe admin can give the access to all the participants maybe for next 1 hour so that they can paste all these things. Give access to all participants for next half an hour so that everyone can paste in the group, WhatsApp group.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. We'll give you the access.
Yeah. Please. For next half an hour, maybe later on you can give the access. Not an issue. Because this is activity-based learning. Everybody should understood how to explore this AI tool for creating such a content.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Only prompt should be understood. That's only important. Yeah. I want everybody should create the image. First, go to ChatGPT, use the prompt that I have shared. Just you change your topics of interest and paste it and copy that content and take it on your Gemini. Okay. Yes, we can see the flow also. I'll be sharing the flow to you, how to create such images. Now see. We are exploring only the first tool, that is, you can see. Ye flow hai aapka. First, select topics, create a proper prompt on ChatGPT. Then you have to use Copilot, Gemini, Notebook LM. Yeah, maybe you can use Napkin AI also. The 4 tools we use. So I only explore the one tool, Gemini. Okay. Yeah. One by one we'll discuss. Not worry. Maybe I'll share to you on your WhatsApp also all this content. Not worry. Yeah, please. So all of you please keep on sharing the data. Okay, आप group में share करना है. I hope everybody is doing the process. If anything is having problem, let me know. Everybody have ChatGPT account. I think Gemini might be not there. You just log in with Gemini. It's again free account. Daily आप 10 image you can create on Gemini. Free version में 10 image बना सकते हैं आप. Even ChatGPT you can prepare, not an issue. Even you can ask ChatGPT. Now see the same image, you can ask to create an image, create infographic image. You can infographic image. ChatGPT also prepared. Yeah, you can see over here. Same prompt can be used for both, and you can just compare with both image. Huh? Now see, now I'm creating the same prompt. Say I'm creating image on ChatGPT also. आप भी कर सकते हैं ऐसा, not if you can do that. Yeah, you can see the image. Maybe ChatGPT will give again fantastic image. Let's see. Yes, fantastic. I really appreciate the the people from, I think I don't know name of that, solubility principle. Fantastic image. I really appreciate. I don't know who has created that, but really great. Fantastic image. The first image, I really appreciate on solubility principle type formulation. See how we can make your learning more interactive rather than showing the only contents. We can say text version. You can make it this kind of graphical version. Okay, great, very good, fantastic. Now see again one more image I am creating on the same prompt on ChatGPT. Now you can use yes, Neha ma'am, fantastic. I don't know, fantastic contraction. Very good, very good. I really appreciate the way you presented over here. Great. Now you can see the image I'm creating again by ChatGPT. You can try the same prompt on ChatGPT, please. अभी आपने co-pilot use किया. Now see, I think ChatGPT will give again fantastic image. You can see my image, both image. You can see a comparative image I have created over here. I'll just paste it over here. Let's see, for a comparison purpose, I'm just putting over here. Let's see. Let's see. This is the image. I have two images. Let me take it on that. This is the image I have created on, again I'll just show you on ChatGPT. Okay, ये ChatGPT बनाया मैंने. This is on ChatGPT, first image on ChatGPT. Okay, and one more image I have created on, you can see on Gemini. You can see over here I have created on Gemini. I think Gemini वाला ChatGPT वाला अच्छा है. I think my understanding. Let's see on. You can see both the images. We can do comparison also. जो मैंने वाला किया है यहाँ पे, you can see the ChatGPT image जो है, that is I think more attractive and very appealing, I can say that. You can see the Gemini. I'll show you over here. You can see my presentation over here. Both comparison. You can do comparison also. The initial image prepared by Gemini, and first one is ChatGPT and second is Gemini. I think ChatGPT वाला image बहुत अच्छा है. There's no spelling mistake also. Everything properly come. Yes, I want everybody should do this activity so that you will understood all. Great. Yeah, fantastic. Pooja ma'am, I think has done fantastic one, and Sadda ma'am, very good, fantastic. Everybody has now sharing. I really appreciate the way people you are doing the work. Okay, that is a practice how it is useful. Green chemistry, I think fantastic. If we just share on the maybe status, we can keep on status. Maybe share on the social media also, where we can be famous. Very nicely prepared green chemistry, how it works. Okay, green synthesis and all. Yes, Archana madam has created, I think, fantastic on ChatGPT, brain tumor targeting types. So I think one of the fantastic images I have seen from this group. I think who has created Dr. Archana ma'am. Fantastic, Dr. Archana. I think really appreciable. Highly appreciable, I can say. This is an excellent image. I'm giving comment also. Don't worry. It's one of the excellent image. Fantastic, fantastic. This is the way how we empower. Great. Yes, yes. Yeah, actually, I have total 172 tools. Now it's, I think, not feasible in 2 hours to cover all. Now you can imagine power of AI. It's the teaser they have because 2 hours not possible to cover each and everything. So I can teach you total 172 tools where I'm Google certified trainer for all these tools. Now maybe entire workshop I can play. Don't worry about that. But the thing is that I cannot cover all on these 2 hours. Okay, fantastic. Great, great. Okay, maybe I'll now skip over here. I'll come in with next tool. Okay, very good. Chocolate extraction, fantastic. Now see, all the faculties and students or research scholar over here, how this tool can be explored to you make your learning more and more engaging to students. So student Gen Z want this kind of things. You ask them, you just facilitate them. You ask them to create an infographic image and you discuss. You ask to show that image on the screen and you can discuss on the topics. This is the way. Now we need not to prepare PPT. आपको PPT बनाने के लिए जरूरत ही नहीं बनाने का. Student को let them prepare on themselves and you will teach them. So how it work and all that. That's the way how we can become facilitator rather than teaching. Teaching को teach करना ही नहीं आपको. In the era of ChatGPT, no need to teach. Because we are in the era of before ChatGPT and after DeepSeek era. Maybe this era that we used to call BC and AC. No? So now terminology has been changed. We used to say before ChatGPT and after DeepSeek. That's era. We lie in that era. Okay. Yeah. Good. Let's see. Now going with again now next one, that is next tool. Okay. That is called as your notebook LM. Let's see. Going with the next one. Let's see. Okay. Yes. Yeah, I'll go now. Next tool, that is the how to make video. Let's see case study on video, because I told about that na कि video making. Now within a minute how we can prepare a video. आपको topic का video बनाना है, presentation बनाना है, infographic mind map बनाना है. Let's see within a minute how can prepare. Okay, let's see with that tool. I'll go with the first. Okay, there are steps to prepare this. Okay, so maybe first you have to select topics. जिस topic का video करना है, पहले उसका script बनाना पड़ेगा ChatGPT पे. Then you have to copy the description on Notebook LM. This is one tool, Notebook LM. Then you have to copy audio on Canva and directly prepare. But I'll prepare within a minute, within one tool only. Okay, let's see. Two tools, not one, two tools. Okay, let's see. I hope, madam, can you see my screen over here?
Yes, sir.
Please. Now come to my screen. Now stop that activity. You can do later on also that. Okay, fantastic. Tatia sir, I think you made a fantastic image. I really love that image. Great. Okay, so yeah, everybody has done very fantastic things. Do not worry about that. Okay, I appreciate each and everyone over here. So I'm also learner along with you. Did not worry. Okay, now how to explore ChatGPT. अभी आपको topic में I'll take the topics. Okay, the topic is, for example, now recently one catastrophic event happened in Rajasthan where many child have been died because of that contamination that happened in the cup syrup. So I want to make the story on that. Okay, recent cup syrup story. Recent cup syrup. मुझे बच्चों को पढ़ाना है कि cup syrup में क्या हुआ था. What was the tragedy happened? Cup syrup. Sorry, cup syrup tragedy. Okay, make the script. Okay, make video script. Sorry, make a script. Okay, make a script on recent case cup syrup tragedy happened in Rajasthan. आपको क्या चाहिए वो पहले आपको लिखना पड़ेगा यहाँ पे. राजस्थान because of contamination of that particular the diethyl glycol which was used in more amount. Actually it is approved quantity 0.13%, 15%, but they use more than 30%. Because of that many child died because of that cup syrup consumption which was used for the cup. Okay, let's see. Now make a script on reset cup syrup. Okay, now they are providing the proper script first. Okay, देखो पूरा स्क्रिप्ट बना के मिलेगा आपको भी. Now can you see the title of your today's video? Now see the proper entire script is ready with you. इसको कॉपी कर दो अभी पूरा स्क्रिप्ट को. I have to copy the entire script over here. But I have to create video on that, na? Maybe on infographic image, video, everything from that. Copy this and come to the Notebook LM. This is one application, Notebook. This application is Google का application है ये, Notebook LM. Okay, Notebook LM. Notebook LM. Okay, you'll get it, not an issue. Maybe I'll share link also later on. Okay, this is the interface how it open. Okay, जैसे आप open करेंगे उसको, login करेंगे अपने account से, so you can see this is the new create one. आपको नया create करना है ना, नया video tag. You have to prepare a new video, new PPT, infographic on that topics. तो topic को मुझे एक interactive learning से पढ़ाना है बच्चों को. That is my aim. So that's why I'm using the two tools over here, ChatGPT and Notebook LM. Let's see. Now create new buttons. Now see, अभी यहाँ पे मुझे क्या है, आई वांट टू यूज माय, मे बी आई कैन कॉपी टेक्स्ट, देयर आर 4 ऑप्शन. I can upload a file. मेरे पास खुद है, I have all my material on the maybe on PDF या maybe on Word file. That also I can upload over here. First option. Second option, I can use some website. मुझे ICH guidelines है, WHO guidelines है, उसका website से मुझे कुछ नया वीडियो बनाना है. I can paste it directly from that. या I can use from my drive. मेरे drive पे कुछ material है, उस पे हिसाब से मुझे बनाना है. But I am using now last option, copy text. मैंने खुद स्टोरी बनाया है, कहाँ पे, ChatGPT पे, वो मुझे उसको पे वीडियो बनाना है. Just copy text. देखो मैंने कॉपी किया वो टेक्स्ट, वहां से कहां से लिया मैंने, आई हैव टेकन फ्रॉम ChatGPT. नाउ इंसर्ट इट. नाउ सी, अभी ये जो मटेरियल है आपका, यू टेकन फ्रॉम द, नाउ सी इट इज, गिव द टाइटल ओवर हियर, राजस्थान ट्रेजेडी, सिरप ट्रेजेडी, यू कैन सी, कप सिरप ट्रेजेडी. जस्ट गिव द नेम ऑफ योर स्टोरी. आई एम मेकिंग स्टोरी. लेट्स सी how making my student were more and more engaging, like the tools that I am using today. Now see, cup syrup tragedy. I want to teach this topic to all my students. Now you can see the options available over here on your left hand side. The first, podcast. You can create a podcast of this particular topics. You can create a video of this topic. देखो video कर सकते हैं अपन, mind map कर सकते हैं. You can just click on the mind map button over here. Report बना सकते हैं, flash card, infographic image. Can you see infographic image? You can create an entire presentation also on this topic. Even quiz also. You can see your quiz. Just click on the topics. आपको उसको click करना है. Now see video also creating, audio also creating, everything create. Just I'll show that. Even language also you can set. मैंने अभी English language लिया. You can create Marathi, Hindi also. Multi language you can do. So all options available. You can see over here all the options are available. Now see, अभी सब बन रहा है यहाँ पे. Within a minute, 2-3 minutes, you'll get entire things. I think infographic बन गया अभी. You can see. This is my mind map. देखो mind map बन गया आपका. देखो I want to teach through this one way to create a mind map of the topics. मैंने mind map बना दिया यहाँ पे. What was the incidents? Where it is happen? Can you see over here? It was happen in early 2026 in the Sikar Bharatpur area. Children under 5 was affected. Ingredient dextromethorphan was the one ingredients was found. What is the government response? You can see the how I have converted my topic into mind map so that the learning is more and more effective and more engaging. That is, I think, problem of today's generation, Gen Z. They are not attentive. The reflection point is maybe 5 minutes. That they will come to unconscious minds. So probably you want to make it highly conscious, highly alert. Probably this kind of teaching would be more and more effective. Only thing is awareness. Now I'm making aware about this kind of tools. Utilize these tools. Topic डालो, you can create so many contents through the one topic. एक ही tool है, we can get multiple things can be done. Now see how this mind map should be useful for this. You can download this. Option is there. Download button. You can see the option download over here. You can download this. Can you see the button download? देखो मैंने zoom कर दिया उसको. Yes. Rushali madam, hope I'm audible to all.
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Yeah. Thank you for that. Okay. Now come to again your studio. Let's see. Your studio is there. You can just now come to the studio. Click on the studio. Now see. Let's next first infographic हो गया आपका. Now quiz. Let's see how to generate a quiz. देखो अभी quiz generate हो गया. Video बन रहा है अभी. Video को time लगता है, but it is creating video also. Let's see till that time quiz. देखो आपका quiz भी generate हो गया आपको. You can see the quiz also. Topic के हिसाब से आपको you can get multiple assessment level. Okay, multiple interactive things can be done on the topics. So normal way, it is not a normal way of teaching. It is a way how AI can be used to make your learning more and more effective, more and more engaging, so that learner can get each and everything properly. Okay. Yeah, it is coming again. Questions is coming. Okay. It will take time based on net connection and all this, but you'll get many things. Okay. I'll again come to studio. It is not generated now. Okay, maybe I'll take an infographic also. Let's see the infographic also. I can create infographic also. Okay, let's see. I think quiz generated. Let's see. नहीं बन रहा है. Again coming. Okay, it will create all. You can see the यहाँ पे option दिख रहा है. Audio का option है, video option है, mind map already I have shown to you. Reports also you can create. Flashcard you can create. Quiz you can create. You can infographic you can create, data table also you can create, slide. There are so many applications, so many apps. Topic is that. Okay, even you can ask question directly over here. Based on that, maybe you can ask directly questions to what was the incidents, what were incidents. Like that you can ask the questions. Okay, maybe give the answer directly over here. Topic आपका topic के हिसाब से आपको question पूछना है. You can ask questions to chat. This one आपको chat कर सकते. You can see the chat. देखो chat में आप पूरा answer मिल जाएगा. What was the problem happened with that particular, cough syrup incidence? What was the takeaway from that? Drug quality oversight was the one of the reason. You can see. What was the, now see, even automatic questions also created over here. Can you see what regulatory failure were identified during the investigation? This was the question generated by AI. How did Madhya Pradesh incidents compare to Rajasthan? What steps were taken to prevent future contamination? This is the way how we can teach the students this kind of things. Very brainstorming questions coming directly. You can take any topics over here. I have added topic from ChatGPT, but you can take any topic directly over here also. Let me show the video if it is created. Otherwise, okay. Maybe I have the previous one. I'll show that one. Maybe it will take time over here. But I have one infographic previously generated. See, I'll show that. Maybe yes, it is there with me. Yeah, it is there with me. Yeah, medical tragedy, India's cough syrup. I can show my previous created. I'll show that also, so that I can save my time. This is created by, again, you can see. Yeah, you can see the. Yeah, this is the image I'll show you. Yeah, can you see the image? देखो ये how fantastic image has been created on the Rajasthan cough syrup tragedy. देखो ये image, ये भी infographic यहाँ पे जैसे आपने Gemini यूज किया, ये भी यूज कर सकते हैं आप उसको for creating such infographic also. Can you see it's a fantastic infographic? It is freely available, you don't have to pay single amount. Okay. Now let's see. Next is till now we discussed about the now question. Let's see questions. Now see questions ban rahe. I think it is not created. Okay. But it is creating very nice multiple choice questions. Okay. Even you can see this podcast. You can see podcast. Okay, let's see. Yeah, Marathi podcast. It's a Marathi podcast. You can see. Maybe I'll first let me share my video. Okay, let's me stop sharing. I can share it. Maybe I'll include my that video also, audio video, so you can get properly.
कंपनीचा आहे, डॉक्टरांचा आहे, की सरकारी यंत्रणेचा, की सगळ्यांचाच आहे? हा गुंता सोडवणं सोपं नाही.
आता आपण कंपनीबद्दल बोलूया. केसन फार्मा या कंपनीचा पूर्वीइतिहास काही सांगतो का? याबद्दलची माहिती तर धक्कादायक आहे. आमच्या स्रोतांमध्ये एका अंतर्गत अहवालाचा उल्लेख आहे. त्यानुसार या घटनेच्या आधी केसन फार्माच्या अनेक औषधांचे नमुने गुणवत्ता चाचणीत अयशस्वी ठरले होते.
म्हणजे त्या
Hello.
I hope I'm audible to all. Please let me again confirm.
Yes, sir. You are audible.
Okay. Thank you for that. Okay, just let me share the screen again. If in between any problems are there, you can just paste it in chat board. Not an issue. Okay.
Today, we're diving into a heartbreaking incident from Rajasthan that really forces us to ask a tough question. What happens when the very systems a cough syrup containing dextromethorphan, which is a pretty standard ingredient. The government immediately stopped all distribution from the company that made it, and pretty soon the National Human Rights Commission got involved, raising serious questions about whether the fundamental right to health for these children had been violated. So, with such a terrible outcome, the investigation, as you can imagine, zeroed right in on the medicine itself and, of course, the company behind it.
Okay, yeah. I hope I'm audible now.
Yes, sir.
Okay, yeah, thank you. Yeah. When I sharing the screen on, my mic got unmuted directly. I don't know why. Okay, can you give a thumb whether how the session going on, please? Yes, good, Suchita ma'am. Thank you, Ruchita, all Patel, Bajit. Fantastic. Okay, great. Okay, now the next tool, let us see. Now we have to shift it to the maybe interpretation. I have told you how to make interpretation, how to use that YouTube video directly to MCQs. Let's see. So we'll go with the new teaching methodology, that's the bridge teaching. Let's see. I hope you heard about this. Let me share my screen again. Let me share my screen. We're taking you a new teaching methodology to you, all of you. Very fantastic technology. We can say pedagogy. Okay, I'm audible to all. Okay, let me share my screen. Okay, so that you can see. Okay, great. Okay. Yeah, this is the bridge teaching. This is nothing but the new teaching methodology. Okay, that is the bridge teaching, personalized instruction with AI, right your workflow. So now let me open my YouTube channel, for example. Okay, let's see how to convert YouTube video into presentation, MCQs, maybe questions. There are so many things. Let's see. आपको YouTube का वीडियो में से डायरेक्टली क्वेश्चन निकालना है या यू वांट टू मेक अ सिमिलर प्रेजेंटेशन directly take it into Google PPT within a minute, how you can get it done. That is because of it's happened because of that bridge teaching. This is a Google Chrome extension. Okay, first let me go that extension. Go with that. See how to add that. I tell you. Come to Google Chrome extension. This is one extension you can add on your Google Chrome. That's the name is bridge teaching. BRISK. BRISK. Bridge teaching. Okay, sorry. This is the bridge teaching. Let's see. I can show you. Yeah, can you see this? मैं अपनी शेयर करता हूँ उसको आपको अभी मेरे इसमें दिखा रहा है remove from Chrome, but in your case it will be showing ads. Okay, let's see. I'll copy this. उसको इंस्टॉल करना है आपके इसमें. Okay, maybe I'll share in the WhatsApp. Good, fantastic. Let's see. I'll be sharing all the link. Need not worry. I have created the entire PDF copy. उसका पर एक हर एक का टूल का यूज क्या है, where it is used, उसका tutorial, everything is with me. I'll share that. Maybe somebody has missed that part. I'll share it. Not worry. Okay, let me take it on that. Okay. So इसको ऐड करना है. Once you install this, then you come to YouTube video, any YouTube video. Let's see. I have one topic now. See, मुझे इसके ऊपर अभी now let me take one topic over here. That is, I can take it over here. Just to take that is QB. Let's see. I want to create one maybe question on this particular topic. Okay, let's open now. Let's see. अभी ये one video is there. एक video है. It has certain presentation also. ऑन टॉपिक व्हाट इज क्यूबीडी इन फार्मा जॉनविया केस स्टडी, उसके ऊपर मुझे अभी एमसीक्यू क्वेश्चन बनाना है. ओके, लेट्स सी. अभी कैन यू सी दिस आइकॉन ओवर हियर? देखो बी करके आइकॉन दिख रहा है. Once you add that Google Chrome extension, that is a bridge stitching, by clicking on that link, okay, this icon will appear over here. यहाँ पे आइकॉन appear होगा. Okay, पहला स्टेप क्या है? Go to Google Chrome extension, type bridge stitching या डायरेक्टली लिंक, मैंने जो लिंक भेजा है व्हाट्सएप पे उसको क्लिक करो. It is applicable on desktop and PC, that is your laptop, not work on your mobile phone, smartphone. Remember, okay, if you are using laptop, then it will be very good because it will not reflect on your smartphones. Remember. Okay, once you add that Google extension Chrome, this is the icon. Just click on this icon, for example. Just the moment I click on this icon, I can get this screen. Can you see the screen? Dikh raha hai? This is a screen that is called as bridge stitching methodology. Now, click on the create button. Can you see the create button over here? Dikh raha hai? Create button. You can see the create button. Okay, देखो मैंने zoom कर दिया यहाँ पे. Now see. Okay, उसको क्लिक करना है. The moment you click on create, they will ask you to give आपको क्या चाहिए, what you are supposed to do. Now see, they're asking me to prepare a quiz, presentation, question, interactive question, syllabus. What now I want to create a directly multiple choice question that to link with the Google form. Let's see within a minute. Just click on this quiz button. First download करना है आपको Google को एक्सटेंशन से वो बिज स्टिचिंग. देन दिस आइकॉन विल अपीयर ऑन द यूट्यूब वीडियो. जिस वीडियो का वीडियो पे आपको क्वेश्चन बनाना है उसके ऊपर क्लिक करना है. देन क्लिक ऑन द क्विज बटन. ओके, देन क्लिक ऑन नेक्स्ट बटन. नाउ कैन यू सी ओवर नेक्स्ट बटन, एंड नाउ यू कैन create multiple choice question. Now you can create a multiple choice, you can create a short and response, long answer, how many question you want. In free version you can create 10 questions, okay, maximum. I have paid version, that's why I can create multiple questions over here, but you can create, okay, even you can add some course COPO mapping, all these things over here also. Here only create MCQs questions. Okay, create MCQs questions from YouTube video. Okay, that is a YouTube video is there, no? Above. Let's see. Okay, like this. Then brisk it. उसको brisk करना है आपको, like this. Yeah, even you can include sources. आपको लगता है कि source include करना है, you can add a source over here. Now see, option is there, include sources. It will take some data from the I hope I'm audible and you can see my screen properly. Okay, great. Now see, directly questions creating on Google Form automatically. Google Form में आपको question मिल जाएगा. Now see, it is direct link by Google Form. अभी पूरे question इधर आ जाएंगे. Based on topic that is there taught in that video. You can share the link, friends, ask them to, review on that, watch on that. Then you create a question on that. You can see the question here. Generating question based on the prompt. Can you see? आगे question पूरे topic was ICS Q8 guidelines. Can you see? I hope it is very useful for you. Very simple. आपको डायरेक्ट YouTube से क्वेश्चन कैसे बनाना है, that to link to your Google form directly. Now it's easy. You can publish and you can share the link to your audience. Now you can see fantastic question created. Can you see? Even mention the sources where you can take. Because I asked to take it some question from the different sources also. Maybe you can take it question from ICS guidelines. You can give some source also. If you have such sources, you just put that source name also. It will take the question from that source only. It's a very fantastic teaching methodology that's called a bridge teaching. Even we can make PPT of that also. Okay, same way, just click on this, again click on this, again you just go with that, create button and presentation. You can prepare a presentation. Entire PPT level also PPT बना सकते हैं उसका. Any questions over here? Please let me know. I'll come to the again this session. Yes. Any questions till now? Anybody have any questions? I hope everybody is there with me, physically, mentally, intellectually, and spiritually. Yes, great, very good, fantastic. Good. Yes. Any questions to any participant? I can say there are 182 participants. At least you can give thumb button. The session is going well. No questions. Yes, Shraddha ma'am, thank you. For Pallavi ma'am, thank you. Thank you for this response. Very fantastic. Yes, everybody has given like. Thank you for all liking. I can see. Yeah, means everybody is there physically, mentally, spiritually, and you know that is very important. Intellectually also. Great. Fantastic. 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 Good. Good. Yes. Please repeat the bridge teaching, sir. Yeah, I'll repeat. Not issue. Okay. Yes, Finny madam say yeah. So what is bridge teaching? You first that you have to first go to this extension. Yes. Okay. Go to Google extension. आई होप यू कैन सी माई स्क्रीन नाउ यस ग्रेट यहाँ पे टाइप करो ब्रिस्ट मैंने लिंक डायरेक्टली भेज दिया आपको okay? तो यहाँ को करना है इट्स गूगल क्रोम एक्सटेंशन इट वर्क ऑन योर लैपटॉप एंड डेस्कटॉप उसको यहाँ पे ऐड करना है मैंने अभी मेरे इसमें ऑलरेडी ऐड हुआ है इंस्टॉल हुआ है उसको इंस्टॉल करना है इट्स एक्सटेंशन ओके इसको इंस्टॉल करने के बाद इट विल डायरेक्टली अपीयर ऑन योर यूट्यूब चैनल या यू ओपन एनी यूट्यूब ओके एंड यू कैन सी दिस आइकॉन ओवर हियर देखो आपको आइकॉन दिखेगा यहाँ पे कैन यू सी द आइकॉन ओवर हियर देखो दिख रहा है देखो बी करके आइकॉन आता है कैन यू सी एंड वहां पे क्लिक करना है आपको वहां पे क्लिक करके मुझे अभी ये यूट्यूब वीडियो का आई हैव टू कन्वर्ट सम मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन या पीपीटी कन्वर्ट करना है या एनी काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स नोट्स बनाना है उसका तो क्रिएट बटन पे क्लिक करो एंड यू क्रिएट क्विज क्रिएट करो ऑटोमेटिकली क्रिएट एमसीक्यूज ओके आई हैव शोन दैट एमसीक्यूज ओवर हियर यू कैन सी एमसीक्यूज ओवर हियर ओके even later on you can do some brainstorming activity also okay इसमें brainstorming activity भी कर सकते हैं बाद में okay but this is okay for this so any questions till now again I'm coming with this I hope Ashwini ma'am you understood yes thank you very simple even I am sharing my tutorial also you can go on my YouTube channel all tutorial available okay सबके tutorial available है even you can convert into notes yes Manisha ma'am you can convert notes also again come to this now see मुझे notes बनाना है let's see I'll just show you क्रिएट द बटन कोई भी YouTube वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगता है YouTube वीडियो बहुत अच्छा है उसका नोट बनाना है मुझे आई कैन क्रिएट नाउ सी क्रिएट बटन देन आई वांट टू क्रिएट नोट्स वी कैन सी नोट्स आल्सो ऑप्शन इज देयर ओके जस्ट यू कैन सी लेसन प्लान आल्सो वी कैन सी सिलेबस आल्सो सो मेनी थिंग्स इवन यू कैन क्रिएट पॉडकास्ट आल्सो ओवर हियर यूनिट प्लान बनाना है सब प्लान सो मेनी थिंग्स बेस्ड ऑन योर रिक्वायरमेंट यू कैन डू ऑल देखो बहुत सारे हैं देयर आर सो मेनी थिंग्स इंटरेक्टिव एक्टिविटी बना सकते हैं रूब्रिक्स बना सकते हैं प्रोग्रेस रिपोर्ट यू कैन सी देयर आर सो मेनी थिंग कैन प्रिपेयर ओवर हियर जो चाहिए बना सकते हैं डॉक क्वेश्चन बना सकते हैं आप देयर आर सो मेनी थिंग्स ओके यस you try at your level now okay because the time constraint I'm not covering all these thing point okay because I have to cover many more tools also I hope understood now everyone understood this yeah great okay so now just keep this part I'll come to now okay let's see so new that is one more important tools that is formulation AI again I am moving to the research again okay let's see abhi aapko main very fantastic tools that I have developed that is formulation AI let me know okay so I'll go with the website ginfos.com already I have shared the link in your group okay so we have formed the organization in Pune okay that is GInfo Private Limited where we always believe on advanced drug discovery process lot of AI tool we develop okay over here so let me first this is the way this website I'll share the website to you where all the tools are very useful for all researcher, teachers, even research scholar. Okay, I'll be again sharing to you on WhatsApp. Let's see. You have to register with your Gmail accounts. Okay, the option is there. The first, this is the interface. You can just go on the register button. You can directly link with Google account. Yeah, maybe you can put all details over here. Your first name, last name. You create a password, mobile number, institution number. Sorry, institution name. Okay, and which tool you want that you can just click on that okay we have ample of tools let's see I'll just log in with my accounts let's see so very useful tool all for this researcher okay if you just go on this now see yeah so we have various tools okay like we can see over here normally as a researcher maybe MPharm scholar PhD student sorry so we always go with this kind of thing toxicity study as per OECD guidelines so we created one tools where we can predict toxicity. We just put the smiley structure of any molecule, and where we can, as per OECD guidelines, that will give you we can say toxicity level. Okay, what is the you can say acute toxicity level, your LD50 levels, what is the LD50, everything we can get over here. Just to put the structure name, smiley structure, you can draw the structure also here. Next tool is formulation AI, where you can predict the formulation properties by adding the drug, excipient, and process parameter. You can predict the end results that normally we do get it done through DOE. Then SynthOutDoc is it's recently launched this platform. If you're working on co-crystal, developing some nanocrystal, if you want to select proper co-former, non-covalent bonding former, so we can select as per the GRAS category on this, and we can get it docked that molecules. That is, I think there's no such a tool available in India as well as across the world where we can do the dockings. We can say with the ligand, yeah, maybe inorganic docking, yeah, co-former dockings, where we can done over here. Then we have force ADME, which is again very important tools. Maybe Dr. Bhandari sir will be there on, I think, tomorrow or day after tomorrow. He will deliver all these things. Today I am focusing on formulation AI. Force ADME, where we can detect and predict, not detect, predict the entire ADME process of any molecules. Even any conjugate also you are prepared. Then we have GenDoc. Sir also using this tool, GenDoc, where we can use for docking purpose. Whether docking can be done within 3 minutes. Normally docking can be done on various tools that we use, Schrodinger, we use Discovery Studio, Vina, so many tools we use. But there, you have to use multiple tools. Here, in a single tool, we can do your molecular docking as well as RMSD validation. Then even we are coming with the MD simulation also, as well as DFT study within maybe 1 month, where it will be really useful for all teachers as well as researchers, all the scholars also. Then we have very fantastic tools. Normally, people are facing problem of plagiarism. We have come up with this tool where we can remove the plagiarism by this tool, where we can humanize your contents. That is force praise suite, where we have 3 tools, AI detection tools. Normally we use Turnitin and Schrodinger, that means drill bit software to check plagiarism. Here we get it done freely over here, and it has accuracy about 92%. There are so many tools. Maybe we'll discuss later on all. Now I'll focus on formulation AI. Okay, let's see. Because Dr. Bhandari, one of my team members, you can see our team over here before that. So we are founded this company, Mr. Ganesh Wagule, myself, and Dr. Sashikant Bhandari. He's also one of the speakers. I think he's coming on tomorrow, day after tomorrow. So where he's going to cover various tools over there also. Okay. Now I'm coming with this one. That is formulation AI. Okay, let's see. Sorry, Ushali madam, again I am confirming whether I am audible or not. Hello. Ushali ma'am.
Yes, sir, audible.
Audible. Yes, I'm sharing the link on your group. Need not worry till that time. Yeah. So now coming with the tools, let's see. I'll cover this within 5-10 minutes. Okay. Yes. Great. So how much time I have? Can you just tell me, Vishali ma'am, so that I can plan according next tools? Yes. Vishali ma'am. Yeah. Any or hello. Any organizing team member over here? Can you just let me know how much time I have?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Till what time I have to take this session, or let me know the timing so that I can plan the next tools also. Is it okay for 10, 15 so that I can have 15-minute discussion?
Sir, take your time.
Okay. Thank you. I hope it is not boring to all. That's important. Everybody should be engaged. Okay, with proper learning. I believe on the practical based learning. Okay, great. Rather than only showing the slides. Okay, great. So now let's see. This is the formulation AI. Okay, this is a tool where we can it's a very advanced formulation AI tools platform. Predict properties, optimize formulation, accelerate drug development process through machine learning, experimental validations. Again, you register over here. You can see register button over here. You just click on registration button. You just put your details over here, everything. Then you will be getting the link on your provided email ID. You activate that email and you use the credential over here to log in this. Now I'm using my login account. You can see. Let's see now. This is the interface, how it looks. So very useful for all researchers, not only pharmaceutical student, but others faculty also. Okay. Now see, we have provided the platform for preparing a virtual lab for preparing nanoparticles, nanoemulsion, hydrogel, trandamal patches, even for this one also. Solid dispersion, solubility enhancement, oleogels. So many formulations you can prepare, advanced formulations over here. Okay, so normally we always going with the DOE study, lot of batches you have to do, and that too also you're not getting results But here, through these tools, maybe you can find out your proper results within a 2-3 minutes. Only thing, your literature should be strong. You should have proper knowledge, prior knowledge. That's only important. ये tool है आपका. It's a kind of knife. Knife can be used to cut vegetable, and same knife can be used to harm someone. चाकू है तो. AI is like चाकू. त्याला तुम्हाला कसं use करायचं, that depends on you. Great. Now let me prepare nanoparticle over here. Let's see. So we have to prepare nanoparticle. Let's see. I have to prepare one nanoparticle of any drug, doxorubicin, paclitaxel, any drug you can take. So normal nanoparticle is mostly prepared for drug targeting. So normally, which parameter we look after preparation? Particle size, very important. That's a critical attributes we can say. So particle size, we always, we expect in between 50 to 200 in case of particle size. Then we have PDI, that is called as polydispersity index. We always expect below 0.3%. Then zeta potential, we always expect, it is plus minus 2040. Encapsulation, drug loading, and yield always close to 100%. This parameter that is we call as dependent parameter. That is not in your control. Okay, it is depends on your inputs. Okay, yeah. Now in formulation nanoparticle, we have 4 category of nanoparticles. We all know. Okay, now polymeric nanoparticle, lipid nanoparticle, metal nanoparticle, metal oxide nanoparticles. Now let's see preparing polymeric nanoparticles. Then the first thing, you should select the polymers. Now we have given the list of polymer over here. You select from that list. Otherwise, you can add also, not an issue. But I'm selecting PLG as a polymer. Then PLG have different subtypes based on their molecular weight. So you can just choose the molecular weight over here. Then ratio, what ratio you want? We have added the standard ratio, which is normally used in industry as well as literature survey. Okay. So let's say 50-80%. Yeah, maybe 100% PLA like that. Then concentration, you can select concentration. Like I want to select concentration is 12. Yeah, maybe I can say 15%. Okay, like 15 milligram. So now you have selected the polymer and the concentration and ratio. Next, drug. Now you can just click on add drug button over here. Now you can add a drugs. Now see, I'll take the drug name from PubChem. Let's see. Okay, I'll take maybe I'll to prepare maybe I'll take one drug is quercetin. Let's see, I'll take it one drug. Paclitaxel. Yeah, any drug you can say, not an issue. Anyone can let me know drug name on the group. Let me know. Just let me know drug that you are planning. Maybe you can take any herbal also, phytoconstant, not an issue. Any suggestion from the group? Please let me know. I can take those drug over here. Nanoparticle. Anybody is working on that? Any kind of nanoparticles? How can we use AI to draw ternary diagram? Yes, definitely. Yeah. I'll maybe time permit, I can show that also. Okay, not an issue. Yeah. Okay, routine. Let's see routine drug. Okay, let's see. I'll take routine. Okay. So for that, I want. Let's see. Yeah, somebody has suggested routine to me. Let's type routine over here. Let's see, because I want the smiley structure of that drug. Can you see routine? Dikh raha hai? This is I have taken from PubChem. So this is a smiley structure. Can you see smiley? What is smiley? It's a simplified molecular input like entry. It's nothing but a 2D format of the drug, a text format of drug. I can take it this. Now you can see. I copy this and take it over here. Yeah, you can do the upload the file also. आप upload भी कर सकते हैं, manual भी entry कर सकते हैं यहाँ पे. But I would suggest go with the smiley. Okay, smiley is always good for proper results. If you want proper accuracy, precision, then use smiley. Then calculate property पे click करो. Let's see everything. Now see, it's a bulky molecule. The molecular weight is 610. Log P is -90. It means this permeability is very low. This is class 2 drug. Then apply drug. Now see. Drug आ गया यहाँ पे. Can you see? Drug is appear over here. Now you did the second part. First part selection of polymer. Second part is selection of drug. Now third part is stabilizer. As you are developing nanoparticles, stabilizer play vital roles. So these are the normally used stabilizer, which is commonly used in all FDA formulations. So twin 80s I am using, for example, at 1% concentration. Here we can use 1.2%. Then we have to select the methods. See, step by step you have to do. Like when you are planning the particle in the lab, we always go with the planning. Na? Same thing over here. So literature service should be strong. Now see, now we have to choose the method of preparing nanoparticle. Normally nanoparticle prepared by nanoprecipitation, single emulsion, double emulsion. Let's me take nanoprecipitation method, first method. Now method bhi ho gaya aapka. Now what is the last part? Process parameters. Now select the process at which temperature, at which pH, at which RPM we have to create this nanoparticle. What sonication power, sonification time. Now once you're done with all the parameters, then just click on this button, predict properties. So click karna. Now see the beauty. Within a second, you will get prediction. Can you see? देखो prediction आ गया. and it has an accuracy about 92%. We did a validation, all the batches we done in the wet lab, and we got accuracy 90 to 92%, because this model is now currently using by all pharma industry, major pharma industry, Macleods, Alkem. Recently, Alkem only filed MOUs with us. They are using this model. You can see over here. You can just correlate your results with your target specification. Can you see? If you're not getting result as per your specification, again you change the polymer concentration and all that, get it done. Virtually you're going to do, nothing going to be lost. Only time you are investing over here. Everything, we are providing all the graphs over here. You can download report also here, export, you save CSV, print reports, and you can use that. Even we have already published total 12 articles, that to Q1, Q2 article as per Scopus indexing journals, okay? And all are published. I can show the publication to you. This data is validated already and already got cited by Springer, Nature, elsewhere, Ville, all the top-notch publisher accepted our data. So need not worry about that, okay? All softwares are approved. Not an issue. Maybe I will share the presentation. Even I can share, not presentation, I can share the, we can say, publications. Okay. Yeah. I hope any questions till now, let me know. I can come. Similarly, you can prepare other formulation like maybe tandemol patch. Same way, like this. You can select the patch type kya chahiye, drug select karo, polymer select karo, likewise. And you can take predictions. Any questions for this? Let me know in the maybe chart boards. Yeah. That really wonderful. Thank you, Rohit sir, for this comments. Yes. Any questions do you have? So we have total 13 tools. There are so many because the time constraint. I'm not going with all the tools. Okay. So all are very useful. We can generate the molecule also. Just give the targets receptor. I can tell you. I can give you 10, 20 molecules of that, new molecules within a minute. Maybe Dr. Bhandari sir will take care of that, as I'm not a chemistry person. I'm from Satish backgrounds. Maybe that's why I've shown that formulation AI. So docking also very good software. Within 3 minutes you can dock. 3 minutes में आप docking कर सकते हैं. Maybe Dr. Bhandari from our co-founder is there. He will be taking care of that. Any questions do you have? Even I'm sharing your publication also, which got published by using our tools. That all are Q1, quartile 1, quartile 2. We all of you know quartile 1 is a highly cited journals. Okay, top 25 come in that, and we do publish in that journals. We believe on authenticity. That's very important. Ethics, authenticity, very important, and it has to be used rationally, effectively also. Okay, great. Okay, now coming to the next tool, let's see for. Rahul sir, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Actually, I don't know. No. Yes, I'm there now. I think just I'll take the next 10 minutes for sharing the things. Okay. Hope I'm audible now. Please make me co-host so that I can share all this.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So yeah. Stop sharing. Yes, I'll go with that. Okay. Let me take it another. Hello.
D from first year, D from all participant, please mute yourself.
Okay. Yeah. See. Okay. Now let's see how to explore a chart GPT for. Let's see. Just let me know. I have one.
Hello, sir. You are muted. Hello.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. Thanks. Thank you for this confirmation. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's see on that. Okay, so I'll be telling you now the next tool, that is Julius AI. Before that, okay, let's see. Very fantastic tool, Julius AI. Okay, for data analysis, how this tool can be used for data analysis. Okay, let's see. I have to just try with this is the. I'll be sharing all the tool detail. Don't worry about that. Okay, now I have this data. Sorry. Let me check it on that. Okay, let me just share on this. I think okay. Okay, let's see. Okay, I'll be taking the data from my this one. Okay, let me take it the data first. Okay. Yes. Okay, let me take it on this. Okay, let me take it on this. Okay. Okay, we'll go with another tool, then we'll see that. Okay, I'll just go with another tools because I have to take it the data first. Let me take it on that. Just give me 1 minute. So let me assign. Yes, let me take it on that. Let me find out some things. Okay. Yes. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So now see, I have this data. मेरे पास ये data है, for example. This is the. I hope my screen is visible to all. Dr. Rahul sir, can you just confirm me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now this data is with me. अब ये data का मुझे क्या करना है? I want to create such infographic image. देखो, this is a graph I have created. You can see. ये मुझे graph create करना है वैसे. Within a minute I can create it. See, I'll take this data. Table में ले रहा हूँ and take it on my tool Julius AI. Tool का नाम क्या है? Julius AI. यहाँ पे क्या करना है? You take the rough data over here. ये data जो लिया है मैंने, I'll take it over here. Now see, I've copied this data. Now asking to make can see 3D graph. I can see maybe graph directly. Let's see. First normal graph prepare करते हैं. Make graph. Also add standard deviation. Let's see. Now within a minute you can create a fantastic graph. You have to just paste your rough data. Python language is working background में. Okay, AI will take care of that. Need not worry. You just give the prompt. मुझे graph create करके दो. बस वही बोलना है आपको. He will that Julius AI will create. Yes, can see over here data. Now you can see the data. देखो आ गया. Can you see? Within a minute you can see this graph. Only need to provide proper data. आपका data proper होना चाहिए. You can see it is the graph showing colon cancer cell kill rate by drug with standard deviation assume करके, because I have not given standard deviation data ना, they have assume only. If you provide data it will create. Now within a minute I can see. तो ये है Julius AI. This is a tool where we can create such a graph and you can use in your thesis project, your publication also. Okay, even you can take complex data also. I have taken very simple data. You can take complex data and even you can ask to next question. Make 3D diagram. Make a three-dimensional. Because there are many research publication asking 3D. No? Let's see. 3D graph. Now let's see. It creates 3D graph also. Many because publisher asking to provide a 3D graph of your data. Okay, so it is creating 3D graph also within a minute. It is creating now. Yeah, it is creating properly. Can you see the graph again? I have used my publication. Recently, one publication, last 2 months I published an article. I have used this kind of graph in that. A publisher appreciate this kind of things. Can you see? You can see the 3D graph over here. दिख रहा है properly? Really good to represent. आपको present करने के लिए. This is the way how Julius AI can be used. Okay, now any questions over here so that I can move further, please. Any questions till now? Yes, Shilpa Shinde ma'am, thank you for your liking. How the session going on till now? Please at least like. So what you learned today, till now we learn how to create infographic image, even graphical abstract बना सकते हैं आप. So ChatGPT पे आपको you have to create the graphical abstract prompt and just paste it on the even Gemini. Gemini will do graphical abstract. Yeah, how to validate the accuracy of these images? Yeah, see, मैंने पहले rule बताया आपको, sir. Dr. Rahul sir, I have already told the rule of AI. Dr. Satish rule. 10% your prompt, 80% your LLM content, and 10% your thought and validation. You always validate. Don't rely on this data. Okay, so rule is already how clear. That is Dr. Satish rule. 10% your proper prompt. Like example, you can just correlate with that red label example I have given. Mama want red label tea powder, you are giving red label whiskey. This should not be happen with you. So then 80% your LLM content that you receive from this Gemini, all tools that you use, and last 10% very important, that directly depend on 90% of your everything. That is your validation. That's your, you always use that. Okay. Thank you, Soham Sende for this, your comments, and Bhakti Bakade madam and all. Thank you. The interpretation part. Okay, let's see. There's one tool, Cloud AI. How we can interpret this graph? For example, I have this is the tool. Lady, मेरे पास एक graph है. I'll just show that. Okay, let's see. I have this. Let us see. This is the. अभी ये graph क्या है पता नहीं. For example, ये मेरा ये very complicated graph. I don't know about this. अभी एक ये मेरे पास ये graph है. For example, I have this. Let's see FTR spectra. I'll take FTR spectra. Okay, I'll take it FTR spectra. FTIR spectra. So there is many people are facing problem of spectra analysis. Even my student also coming to me, sir. I went to the chemistry faculty also. Did not have time to interpret my FTR spectra. So which tool I am supposed to use? So I only recommend this tool. It has a great accuracy, about 95% accuracy is there, more than 95 also. In some image I got fully 100% accurate results. I have already validated this kind of things with my data. Okay, now let's see. I have one FTR graph. I'll take it this graph. Let's see. I have this graph. Let me take the FTR graph. Okay, let's any graph FTR. Let me copy this graph from Google. Now I have this graph. For example, I have a graph. Now पता नहीं graph किसका है. I'll take this graph. I'll take it on this application Cloud AI. Okay, Cloud AI. Just mention that Cloud AI. I'll share all this detail. Don't worry. And just add or interpret above image. I'm talking about the above image when I'm not writing FTR image. Okay, let's see how AI will do that. Okay, let's see. Even spelling does not matter because AI will not understand spelling. It understands only pattern. Now see. The spelling मेरे गलत हो गया यहाँ पे, but I can see. Okay, image क्या है? चलो आ गया image. Now can you see the results? You can see fantastic results. Can you see? This is the FTR spectra. ब्रॉड स्पेक्ट्रम कहाँ पे है आपका, शॉर्प पिक कहाँ पे है, स्ट्रॉन्ग पिक कहाँ पे, कैन यू सी इट? सो अगेन डू द वैलिडेशंस. दिस इज द प्रेडिक्शन टूल. नाउ यू जस्ट गो ऑन कंफर्मिंग. बहुत बार होता है ना केमिस्ट्री टीचर के पास टाइम नहीं होता है. मे बी यू कैन गो विद अलॉन्ग विद दिस डाटा एंड अलॉन्ग विद दिस स्पेक्ट्रल एनालिसिस एंड यू विल कंफर्म सर कैन यू डू इट नाउ. सो ही विल बी हैप्पीली डू बिकॉज़ ही ऑलरेडी हैविंग ऑल द कंटेंट्स. सो हैप्पीली गेट योर वर्क डन. इफ यू नॉर्मली गो विद FTR spectra, he sometimes deny. But if you go with this spectral analysis details and just to ask to verify, sir, ये बराबर है क्या? Getting how it is? Just can you just again coming to your how it is? This tool you can use for your all this. Even you can do histopathological study. जो भी करना है interpretation. You just put the image over there. Yes, can you just give comments about Cloud AI? How much rating what will give out of 10? आपको 10 में से मार्क देना है, कितने मार्क देंगे? Yes, 9. Very good, very good, very good, good. Yeah, again because 2% is required for that purpose. Very good. 2% is for your interpretation. Yeah, validations. Very good. Always keep the scope for improvements. I never give full mark to my students. Rahul sir, I give always 9, 8. They should feel that there is scope for improvements always. Thank you for this. Good. Dr. Vaibhav say I'm not audible. I'm audible, no? Yes, I hope audible.
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Yeah. Somebody say not audible. That's why I'm confused. Okay, not the issue. Okay, this is the things. Now coming to the maybe I don't know how many are aware about the Scholar GPT. This is the part of GPT. You just go on there. Okay, यहाँ पे आपको देखो ये दिस इज चैट जीपीटी है. सो मेनी पीपल, बिकॉज नॉर्मली व्हाट हैपन, चैट जीपीटी इज ऑलवेज द रोबोटिक आंसर. उसको रोबोटिक आंसर से आपको ह्यूमनाइज करने के लिए मे बी यू कैन डू सम सेटिंग्स इन चैट जीपीटी. ओके, देखो मेरे सेटिंग में मैं बताता हूं आपको. यू गो टू सेटिंग्स. यहाँ पे many faculty, many research scholar just asking me, sir, if I upload any article on ChatGPT, does it come on a public domain? Yeah, plagiarism may. Yes, definitely come in public domain. It come into plagiarism. Don't upload any document, authentic documents. Yeah, maybe your personal things, maybe your maybe research article, just to revise or reframe that English and all. Don't upload over here. अपलोड करना है तो देयर इज सम सेटिंग्स यू नीड टू डू. सेटिंग बताता हूं क्या करना है. गो टू सेटिंग्स. देखो सेटिंग यहाँ पे. कैन यू सेटिंग पे यहाँ पे कैन यू सी ओवर डाटा कंट्रोल दिख रहा है. कैन यू सी डाटा कंट्रोल ओवर हियर. डाटा कंट्रोल यहाँ पे नॉर्मली वो इसको क्या करना है, ऑन किया तो क्या होता है, इट का पब्लिक डोमेन. मेरा इसमें देखो ऑफ है, वो इट इज ऑफ. दिस सेटिंग आउट. अभी ऑन कर, अभी ऑन है तो उसको ऑफ करना है आपको. इसको ऑफ करना है लाइक दिस. Then this whatever the things you are searching on ChatGPT in free version, it won't come in public domain normally, otherwise it will catch in plagiarism software. Remember, this is very important setting. Many people are not doing that. Okay, yes, because I conduct a 2-hour session on ChatGPT. अभी तो मैं 2 मिनट बता दिया. Actually normally it has to be do properly. I conduct 2-hour session on ChatGPT, 2 hours on Gemini, so as to understand full use of this all the AI tools. Okay, because in 2-hour session not possible to cover each and everything. Again, I am putting disclaimer over here. Scholar GPT is a part of GPT where you can get proper authentic information. I would suggest use Scholar GPT rather than using normal GPT. Use Scholar GPT. It's a part of GPT. Now see, if you want to search something, like for example, I want to do literature survey. Do literature survey, for example. Literature survey. How it can be done within a minute, you can see. Within a minute, you can get your literature survey. Literature survey on, maybe survey on, maybe topic I can say over here, nanoparticle. Let's see, nano carrier used in lung cancer, for example. See, I want to search on what are nano carrier available for lung cancer from last 5 years. Last 5 years means I can last 5 years database. You can see. I can mention over here. Sorry, database. Okay, Scopus. I can say Scopus database, Scopus and Web of Science, because there are only 2 indexing systems in the world, Scopus and Web of Science. Okay, you should know that. Okay, as per the Clarivates, we have Web of Science. Okay, Web of Science. Okay, and Scopus. Scopus give the side score. However, Web of Science give the your impact factors. There are 4 Scopus quadrat journals. Okay, Q1, Q2, Q4. So that's why this is very important. Now just clear switch. Now see the beauty. आपको इतना अच्छे से properly search करके मिलेगा tabular form में everything. And that took all Scopus Web of Science database, not predatory journals. This is the way how this ChatGPT का use कैसे करना है, wisely, ethically, effectively. I think from this session we can come to know. Okay, effective use is very important. Everybody using ChatGPT, but how many are using wisely, ethically, and rationally, and you can say effectively. Now see the articles. You can see collective insight summary भी आ गया आपका. I can show you all article with reference properly. You can see reference मिलेगा आपको. It will provide reference also at the end. Okay. Yeah. Can you see the all things properly? Yeah. Yeah, you can see the reference also at the end. Okay. Yeah. Can you see references? Reference आ गए. Which references they have referred? You can see. They never fabricate. Normally ChatGPT fabricate करता है, but Scholar GPT never fabricate references. It will give it proper references. Even DOI number. Can you see? Proper DOI number भी आता है यहाँ पे. GPT will not give DOI numbers. Can you see? And key research gap. Normally ये gap निकालने के लिए lot of time will take ना. Yes. I hope everybody understood it. समझ में आ रहा है? How Scholar GPT helpful to do the your refined research work. Okay, I hope understood this. Even you can ask to make tabular. Maybe you can slash table slash listify. You can see the things. ये prompt है slash table and slash listify. Table करने के लिए slash table करो. It will create a table of that topics. And slash listify means only list out the only points only. Some point which is very important for your study. It will not take all these things. Can you see? देखो. Slash table. मुझे table चाहिए था for example. I want to create one table as per this. Can you see? A fantastic table is creating. ChatGPT created but not authentic way. ChatGPT बना के देगा आपको, but there is no references, there is nothing authentication over there. Here will give proper references. Can you see? Reference आएगा पूरा, हर जगह resources बता रहा है वो कहाँ से क्या. Only because you are giving prompt, ना? Prompt in your hand only. Otherwise, garbage in, garbage out. I think this kind of session will give you the proper guidelines how it has to be done. People are using ChatGPT, people are using all these things, but they are not knowing how it has to be used properly. Practice make man perfect. I think this kind of FDP is really required for all of you. Yes, I hope everybody understood it. Let me check it on that. Yes, any questions till now? Maybe I'll.
जंगल में एक बहुत ऊंचा पेड़ था जहां तक कोई जानवर कभी नहीं चढ़ पाया था। एक छोटा बंदर रोज कोशिश करता, पहली बार फिसल जाता, दूसरी बार गिर जाता, तीसरी बार सब हंसकर कहते, अरे ये तेरे बस की बात नहीं। पर वो छोटा बंदर हर दिन थोड़ी थोड़ी प्रैक्टिस करता रहा। वो गिरता, पर हर बार गिरकर कुछ नया सीखता। कभी पैर कहाँ रखना है, कभी पकड़ कहाँ बनानी है। कई दिनों बाद एक सुबह जब सूरज उगा, सबने देखा वो छोटा बंदर उस पेड़ की सबसे ऊंची डाल पर बैठा था। वो मुस्कुराया और बोला, पेड़ कभी ऊंचा नहीं था, बस मेरी कोशिशें छोटी थी। प्रैक्टिस से असंभव भी झुक जाता है, क्योंकि दुनिया में कोई भी चीज मुश्किल नहीं, बस उतनी बार करनी होती है जब तक वो आसान न लगने लगे। हर गिरना एक नया सबक देता है, और जो सीखता रहता है वो एक दिन वहां पहुंचता है जहां बाकी लोग कोशिश करना छोड़ देते हैं। जंगल में एक
Yes, I hope audible now. Okay, final I'll give concluding remarks. Just a minute, let me share my screen. Okay, yeah. So can you see my the screen? I'll be because a lot of questions coming to me whenever I deliver session. So whether AI will replace any particular person or role? Yeah, certainly that not agree with that. So let's see one example of photographer. Now this is a photographer. You can see in this image. He's taking image from that the helicopters. So now that helicopter is replaced with this drone. Now, where is that particular photographer? Certainly, his role is there, but role has been transformed over here. Now, he's become a drone operator. Now, he has to understand that skill, how to operate that drone. Then and only survive. Means he has to be adaptable. So, means role of photographer didn't disappear. It will only transform. Same thing happened with the pharmacist and chemist. Even though if you don't learn this kind of technology, probably one day the person who don't know anything, that person will replace who does all these things, who are knowing about all these things. Same thing with Tangewala. Tangewala, if not understood and learn this skill to drive auto and Uber rickshaw, Ola Uber, he will disappear from markets. Only thing is that he has to understand, he has to learn that skill. Same thing with chemist. Traditional chemist only working on the laboratory for 100% everything done on lab. He might be not competent pharmacist. So he has to always learn this AI-based chemistry, AI-based technology, AI/ML technology, so that he will facilitate the things properly and he will empower. Role of chemist didn't does this; it only transform. Now this is the way how probably we are moving in the pharmaceutical fields. These are the future how we can see yourself in the pharmaceutical fields. Finding new drug, organ on chip, deliver clinical trial within short period, robotic supply chain management, AI helping process optimization, drug counterfeiting by blockchain technology, local pharmacists, 3D printing personalized drug can be. Maybe you can see 3D printer on every pharmacist, every medical shop, where he can customize the medicine based on the prescription. This kind of things happening because this is the era we call as personalized era, sustainable era. Okay, we should understood all these things. Coming to the final maybe conclusions, I'll be coming with the conclusions. Okay, let's because this, yeah, I'll be going with this final thought. Okay, so maybe AI and academics writing both friends and threats. As a friend, it improves efficiency, clarity. So my final takeaway message to you: don't fear AI, don't worship it either. Learn to collaborate with responsibility, critically, ethically. That's the mark of true teacher and true researchers. So if you have any questions, probably I'm happy to answer all the questions. This is dedicated to all. Maybe this video is created. Maybe I'll share later on this, okay, to you. Yeah, and this is my campus. You all are welcome to my campus, MIWP. We have B Farm, M Farm, medical device course, PhD, and all these things. Most welcome. This is my campus. You can see. Yeah, these are my all contribution in the field of pharmacy. I have delivered session to almost all the colleges across the world, not only India, but across the world. I can see this is my 600th session, I think. So I have conducted sessions to many colleges. Okay. So finally, thank you all of you. Maybe I'll stop sharing now and moving to the audience. Over to organizing team, Dr. Vishali Madam, who is taking a lot of efforts. She is being, I think one of the fantastic coordinator. She is being connected with all the faculties, all the, speakers very nicely. Thank you, Vishali Madam, once again to you, and Dr.
Yes,
Rahul sir
sir.
also. Yeah.
Yes. Thank you, sir, very much. Sir, before concluding, I would like to open the question answer session. If audience have any questions, they can drop in chat box or they can unmute
Certainly,
themselves.
certainly.
Yes.
Thank you all comments, Supali ma'am and all, Rohit Sarda, very good. Yeah, ternary phase, I'll share the video to you, sir. Rohit sir, I'll share my tutorial video where we can use that tools to draw a ternary phase diagram. Did not worry. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. You just text me in WhatsApp. I'm in WhatsApp group also. I'll share that video to you. It's very easy, not an issue. I'll share that link and Excel sheet also directly. I have prepared my own Excel sheet. You just put your data, it will directly automatically create that ternary phase. Yeah.
So any audience, if have any question, they can ask.
Thank you, Shilpa ma'am. Thank you, Bharti. Thank you, Tejaswini. Thank you, all of you, for your comments. Good. That's way how I've been connected to you.
Yes. Audience can unmute themselves and they can ask.
Yeah. Any questions? Means you are fully understood? Yeah, what I take it at message. Good. At least they are giving the comments in the group.
Yes,
not
they are commenting in chat box.
Any questions? Yeah. My agentic AI is there with me. He's taking all, not worry. He's giving a lot of feedback to me. So participants are very enthused and very interactive. Like that, they are giving comment to me. My agentic AI is giving comment to regarding my audience, all the audience.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Hello, good afternoon, sir.
Yes, good afternoon.
Hello.
Please.
Yeah, sir, it was a very nice and fantastic session, sir.
Thank you. Yeah.
And we can generate the image with the AI. Sir, my question is that there are several journals which don't allow to proceed with the AI generated images. So how we can overcome this problem, sir?
Yeah, Dr. Weber, sir, I think very good question you have been asked. See, whenever you are publishing any kind of, with this AI generated image, you first go to the instruction to author. Even elsewhere, even Springer are accepted. Wiley is not accepting still, but elsewhere and Springer accepted, because last month only I have submitted my one of the review articles. Only thing you have to provide disclosure statement. Separate statement you can provide. The image which has been, maybe figure 1, figure 2, these two images have been created by this particular tool. You just name the tool, their version and date, on which date you are created. So they will accept. And you give the disclosure statement, disclose the things. So problem is that many authors not disclosing statement. They are fearing about that, whether it is. So please disclose it. They will accept it.
Okay, thank you. Thank you very much, sir.
Yeah.
Very good session,
yeah,
sir.
Somebody is asking plagiarism. Yeah. Tatya sir, yes. Namaste, sir.
Very good session. Really fantastic.
Thank you attending. It's my pleasure, sir. You are attending my session.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah. Maybe you can invite me in your college, sir. Offline would be more better. Huh?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, you can interpret, Shweta ma'am, you can interpret NMR spectra also. FTR, NMR, you can put any images. But again, validation is important. Don't rely on that data interpretations. Again, you use my rule of AI, Dr. Satish rule, 10, 80, 10. Yeah, one more question, plagiarism. See, plagiarism, I already have one tool is there. I have already shared that G-Infos tool where we can humanize it, all data. Okay, usko humanize karke paraphrase kar sakte hai. I'll share that. I think I've already shared. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, any questions? Please let me ask. Yes, I think Vrushali madam, I think you can conclude. I think yes, there is no
Okay,
questions.
sir, fine.
Yeah, please, please.
So thank you, sir. Thank you very much. The session was very insightful and we learned very new things. I hope all the faculty members who joined the session, they utilize all the apps, all the ChatGPT and all other AI tools which you describe in the session. Before we conclude today's session, allow me to briefly summarize the key takeaways from the session 1 of today's FDP. It focused on integrating artificial intelligence for academic excellence in pharmaceutical education, where we gained valuable insights on evolving role of AI in higher education processes, enhancing student engagement, assessment, and outcomes using AI, the importance of faculty readiness and mindset in adopting AI, and ethical and responsible and outcome-oriented use of AI in academics. Session emphasizes that AI is not a replacement for teachers, but a powerful enabler that can support educators in achieving quality, innovation, and excellence in pharmaceutical education. Okay, sir. So now we come towards the valedictory part. So it is my honor to propose the vote of thanks of day 1 of this 5-day online FDP. First and foremost, I express my sincere gratitude to our esteemed resource person, Dr. Satish Polshettiwar, sir, for his outstanding contribution and for making today's session intellectually stimulating and practically meaningful. I would like to thank our honorable management of IBSS, our respected President, Shri Yogendra Ji Gode, sir, and honorable Secretary, ma'am, for their constant support, encouragement, and visionary leadership. My heartfelt thanks to our honorable principals, Dr. P.V. Brookley, sir, and Dr. H.S. Savarkar, sir, for their guidance and motivation in organizing this FDP. I also appreciate the dedicated efforts of the Faculty Development Committee, organizing team, technical team, and all the faculty members who work tirelessly to ensure the smooth conduct of today's session. Last but not least, I sincerely thank all the participants for your presence, interaction, and enthusiasm, which truly made this session successful. Before we close today's session, I kindly request all the participants to attempt the day 1 assignment, which will help reinforce today's learning. Fill out the feedback form as your valuable feedback helps us improve future programs. The assignment and feedback links will be shared in WhatsApp groups. So before concluding, I thanks once again, sir, to you. And you kindly accept our Thanksgiving letter, which we have
Yes,
on the screen. Yes, sir. So thank you very much, sir. Thank you for your valuable time. And we hope we are looking for to meet you in offline session. Then next
Yeah,
part.
that will be more.
Yes,
That will be more.
that will be more
beneficial.
beneficial. Yes. So thank you once again. Thank you once again, sir.
Thank you, all of
I
you.
request
Now
to
kindly
all of
explore. Now up to you. I have given the roadmap to you now. Now it's
Yes.
up to you. I cannot say the validatory function. It's a roadmap to all of you.
Yes,
And
sir.
take it further. Maybe I'll take one follow-up session for this. How many people are using it wisely, ethically, effectively? Yes,
Oh.
thank you, Dr. Rahul sir, because of his efforts. I think he's one of the fantastic friend of mine. Yes, thank you, Rahul sir.
Thank you, sir, for your ability on just a single call. I really appreciate your presence.
So for you, always available, sir.
No, thank you, sir.
Yeah.
So before ending this session, I request all the participants to please on their video so that we can take a screenshot.
Yeah. Great. Capture memories. I also capture over here. Maybe we can post it in the LinkedIn and you can tag me also. Yeah.
I beg your pardon for not availing for the Srikant sir. Satish sir.
Yes, sir.
Actually, I was a bit busy with submission of certain proposals to DPT and some more agencies.
No issue.
I shall take care of him.
Okay. Yeah, no issue, sir. No issue. Thank you for this word, sir.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye. Yes.
So before concluding, let me tell about the tomorrow's session. I will give a pre-cap. Tomorrow's session is 10th of Feb. And we will have a session 2nd of the FDP theme, Time Research, Literature Analysis, Research Flowchart, and References Management. The session will be delivered by Dr. Sumit Arora, who will guide us through the practical application of AI tools in research, including literature review, research planning, workflow visualization, and reference management, an essential skill set for researchers and academicians in today's research-driven environment. We look forward to another highly engaging and informative session tomorrow. So with this, we conclude day 1 of our FDP. Once again, thank you all for your active participation and valuable time. We look forward to your enthusiastic presence tomorrow. Have a pleasant day ahead. Thank you and see you tomorrow. Please fill the feedback form and also attempt the assignment. Otherwise, you will not be eligible for the certificate. Okay, so thank you very much.
Thank you. Bye-bye.